For employment to say, you hire Adom TV. Na jumedi we so ye nkranhye ensamemre. Ya osomfo. Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego biti joma medi ho chiame. Obo odi nchire maka be me de. O say fro say. Enu adwoa. Ana ya Badwam. Ana ni ade. O say fro say. Togbi. Tell fro obi ame ma kwaba e be jumedi so ne. You see, your life circumstances may be bad. Things may not have been going on well with you. But nothing can stop you from working at becoming the greatest person in life. Nothing can stop you from becoming the most sought after person in life. You can become extraordinary and nothing can stop you. And nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you when you are determined. Bibia no betime su kwan. Baby, I want ya enye nimdie edu no. Bibia ni ho betime su kwan. Woni a ware eye kra behwe no. Bibia ni ho betime su kwan. Woni a osu ade ehunu nyansa ede nya adwene aya de pa no. Wo bibia ni betime su kwan. Woni anya pomodini a wonam asebe wo ho asepe wo mo a wonante no. Bibia ni besu kwan. Nothing can stop you. However, there are 4 things that can stop you in life, and they are self-made. And your man name will have it me aka washe. Anu atuji wankasa. Nothing can stop you from becoming great. Catch your home. Nothing can stop me from living a great life. Yeah, owura bi ba wi ase na no ene edi na woda. Ye wono dwammuomu. He was born in a manger, according to the story we read. Can you imagine, say, we are Ghanaian, na yako wo nwamuomu. Yewefro adwa unwan ana kwadwo unwan. He was born amongst sheep. Na nwamuomu mu bon, odwanyo so en ya ne. Kan. Nonetheless, he rose from the manger, and nothing stopped him from becoming the Messiah he was made to become. Nothing. Nothing can stop you. Catch your own say, me power repa, and nothing can stop me. Me bravo papa, and nothing can stop me. Nothing determines your life but your own self. And the 4 things you need to watch out for are 1, excuse. We mean to me, a sign say. I mean to me, a sign say. Sadiano, and never sue quine. Mean to me your excuse. The also mean no blame. When anya yes and say mammy papa and chreme. When anya yes and say many or mammy. When anya ye because me teacher didn't have failing me. When anya ye because me yes camera juma ubwa. The blame game must stop. A biome fear. Ehu. Me koye me kodin kogo na manfo asere me. Miko kai atara meko nama. You see, you tend to rely on the judgment of others than your own judgment. What people will say, it's wrong. Stop being afraid and take the first step. Adebu omu apesa woyo. Waju yo so ya abedin kugu nti waka ho ahye usuru. Waju yo so ya aben fomso nti usuru. Sa ehu susum no ebeka wa ahye. The only thing that can stop you from taking the first step is fear of failure. Stop that. The next thing that can stop you from taking your step is excuse. Stop giving excuses. The next thing that can stop you from making your mark in the world is playing the blame game. Stop blaming others and take responsibility. The next thing that stops us is negative thinking patterns. Adwina enim. Adwina ensemfata. Adwina achia. Sabe adwina ebon. Adwina ni nyina so complain, worry. Ena enu na beka wahye. Ena. Wa no kasa wo kan wotimu ena be siu kwan. Ena media nkofo kwa mintimi nkobi. Ena media asapati amanfo hye me nibi. Ena media atare nkofo hye. Ena asori kwa no yankopon hye atare a wo hye. Asera obekọ so keke so ana mosque abekọ so hye atare a wo hye. Onyame wo hwe enioso ohwe akomemu. enti ena no ena se otwa so na gya se da bia wo de wada no ho obi a wo de wo prosecutor na wo de ho akogina asem di bia na prosecute ho me de mensem fata me de manko school papa me de me nyonko me de busu am firi mu no ye ni bi me de akurase na me firi me de saa na ade ache na ade asa me de me ma de esu ba ni me de me oba e ma de esu wan na ka kire wo so ye be ma so ye oba you were made in the image of a creator. You had the likeness of the creator. So right within you is a bomb that can explode onto the world with new inventions and contributions. Ade bi tumu onyo ba keke oyi wonipa onye be ma keke nti ya susu ahomaso no ahomaso so ya ade bi etimi edi enya hwe konkon ka kire me say oseye beba de di kan ya ahomaso before distraction is pride. Amaso so media minim obi nkyere made minim be ma bi asebe wabon pa ba na wade a o fe na futu osmintie ore so asai ya na ye man ho so dodo ahobrase edi nkunimdie na nam ntimi nua be mai a wotie mi ene oba na wotie mi bo moden na pa ahobase na ja ahomaso no abo degree ntide wi ase nyina nim die kura he ahobrase ene hia wo we journalist ntide ati ye fra agemai da bi uso hia de sua me de my lawyer me de mo the politician honorable ntide o nipa bi eri wa wie adesua kosimra abeto awuo dija ahomaso tenten no na bre won ase na sua de afri nipa ho na sua de afri yankopon ho na makwan na yankopon to supa enwa adwen proso na fo bubra ahomaso esikwan enti odaachi ekurao na bibia ntimi nsu kwan se wan makwan ema ehu se ahomaso se excuse se blame se fear amo abrabomu no bibia ni ho abetimi nsu kwan. Nothing can stop you to become the greatest person in life if you don't allow excuses, if you don't allow the blame game, if you don't allow negative thinking patterns, if you don't allow pride and fear to take over your mindset. Another day, catch also me. Nothing can stop me from becoming that wonderful person I'm made to become. Nothing can stop me from becoming the best husband. Nothing can stop me from becoming the best wife. Nothing can stop me from becoming the best worker and student. Nothing can stop me from becoming the best of me amongst the rest of my friends. Minia, nothing can stop you. If you are determined and dedicated to take the road success, you meet success on your road. So we sing kete ekasa obedi nkunimu a openyansa ne adwen na ne ya ire penyansa na wo gya ne ma bi ayo nothing can stop you. Onyame enhira wate onyame nka ho na wo ma bi bia ensi kwan o abrabomu o ma adwene fi ensi kwan o ma ehu ensi kwan o ma sibambone ene ahomaso ensi kwan onyame na nkasa mfa wodo na hobrase nwaro na hwehunu su nwaro na abrabo. Nothing can stop you until you give them the way. Mamina Thomas, my cameraman ase. Namina Frank, I am a sound engineer. Namako MCR, mako da MCR for ase. Mother lighting system for ase, mother floor manager. Nama rap production room, nama production room for nyina ase. Obaba ko to am pen asempa Sarah, numa job. And me amedofo ba ko Priscilla.
Watching BM Yamwakwa Badom TV Badwam so ni te ekotego yadase kranshan sama nenso odiama ye dedu so no Adom TV Badwam kase ensam ne ne todwa wo mu bi ya wo betie ni aban sa 2024 yi ankwankwa nnwumaku ahodo be se 50,000 obeso won mo asen ye de honsam no ebebro. Ghana Education Service Director ya won kwanta South Estre empanifo se womo ebema ekwan bi na curfew nhana eda won so won kwanta South no ebeye bibia fa ho fi se akoba sa na ha nwumasua kakra eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o shine live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT se den nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie aban ese free year 2024 ye ohwe na wode sika fam ene emuafam ama enyumakuo ahodo be 50,000 wona won kasa wo nyuma nkuma ene akese yama mpani abede akire Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene de sansemi to edwabra aban no ene Ghana Enterprises Agency won waka won ho abomu a wo yesa niema ye betumi aboa ama nyuma so afa ntuma pa efra.
Full confidence in the success of this project, which will be implemented by the GEA and ably led by their dynamic leader, Mrs. Kosi Yankee Aye, as we embark on this transformative journey to victory in creating 250,000 dignified and fulfilling jobs. I invite each one of you to play an active role in shaping the success of the BizBox project.
In times like these, there's a temptation for the youth especially to feel like a victim. But today we welcome you all here to give you the opportunity to rewrite your story and also be the heroes in your story and be the master of your fate. We welcome you to the honored devotion of our government's unflinching support and resolve to partner with the right people, with the right ideas, with the right support and the right resources. So together we can build and strengthen the youth of this great nation for a future that has changed beyond our own.
Nkwanta South, Peniya Washangumasuya so Jonathan Kosina. Ene wode eto aban interior ministry enim obestre won mo pa na Nkwanta South enhye na yede ahye won mo no company for besesemu de ama wo mo sebeya school for ne akyerɛkyerɛfo mra na wo mo eye enhye na enya nsunsuaso won so no benya ho kwan na afi watimi de ato won masua so yema wo mo mra no bi enka ho se bia prep enumere won betumi akwa de na tumi aboa won masua mu Adom TV kase etwaso
Enkran setna ayedene amamanfo binom esan sede ebribia wototo ensuo mu na ensuo emma ewo manfo efie mu obi beka se enyanyade a agensemu nanso wono mu a wote miamia wonsuo emma no wo kire mu a beye
Yes, school for number. Curfew no so ho. Enti ye pese yen ma awofo any stakeholders na mo kokan about peace. Omo hu say yes ye very important stakeholder ye wo peace chain no mu. Enti enne nante ye no say ye pese mo nyina hu say ye pasungwe. Asungwe no say yes ne ko eba na ye pasungwe be very stable and lasting.
Adisuafo bi nso ede wonom nsema wakuchire egunkrata so ekoma Nkwanta South Mensini Security Committee said ye beya obebo achechefo ni adisuafo nyina eho ban ewo bra wonom ewo school mu ene mpo ebra wapon school akofie.
We as Ghanaian and citizens of one nation are diverse in many ways, and in this diversity lies our strength. In our schools and classrooms, we are one people and not segregated into Adele, Achode, Chala, Intribo or Konkomba ethnic groups. We are appealing to the Oti Regional Security Council and Nkwanta Municipal Security Council.
Baitlan waya oya Nkwanta Mensini krache edi ato sebusu akwo miensa nyina enemu se
dafe bambofo no so yeda o ma se adwuma pa o ma ye na o mugu so eye edi boa se asumdie beba na mbom ni America tutu ni se ahimfo no agi atum eye Nkwanta ahimfo a sa basabasa yi o mo ka ho kasa hodo no ahimfo eye Adele Achode ene Chala
Enkraye abia hodo bi ewo ho anso ho ayeden ama won ye bubu ahye so tuom dansoman ene malam ne mmea bi atete saa be abosome ne kakra ne ensuo emfa wo mo adurube mu na ebi bakra no a eni nye kra enam so ama yamane boni kwame enum abapro akomu akohwe a wode nsemi ntoso eba
Enkran asetena ayedene amamanfo binom esan sede ebribia wototo ensuo mu na ensuo emma ewo manfo efie mu obi beka se enyanyade a agensemu nanso wono a wote miamia wonsuo emma no wɔkyerɛ mu a bɛyɛ abosome kakra nie no enyade si wonya nsupa ewo no mu fie ya ho kyerɛ ma wono mo pa no no bi won kra ha mo pa kyerɛ se omo nsuo ho asɛm ayedene bia ɛwɔ sisi ya no ɛyɛ bobiahye na wo mo ha pa kyerɛ se nsuo ho ayedene bɛsɛ na atwemienu ni
kyerɛ nsuo no mbakra ti bia kakra eboa edibɔ yɛn kakra nkra ne omo a emso mo tanka akɛse bia omo ahodi bi yo ti omo nkyɛn na ya kwa yetum ya kwa atwea yenya
sisi ya to 2 pipes mu sisi abula na yebu ye taps so inflow ye na more times na kasa ba like a few mu
yesu asem de ho odin kakra wa ha sometimes no obeda be sorry na nsuo mba nti we obi a woni politanka it becomes a problem. Currently, as you are speaking, for about getting to a week now, there is no water. So when I wake up in the morning, I have to go search for water before my children can have a bath.
Mitibubu ashiya ya nyo dokon na insuni fiti 1 week nya insuni mbaye na amana egusu banka kankakra no
so ni atun emba 2 weeks.
Nanso Stalimati a woye communications manager Emma Ghana Water Company Limited echiremu a wonom edi obetumi biara said e be ya obesi saa hawi ano
because pump akunye dwuma air pump menu pe aye dwuma nti na levels no en said into build levels man en kosro na it will nya pressure na ebetumi nya management survey the entire western part of Accra nti all you produce no the level especially the hilly areas within the western part of Accra, so to Anya hilly areas or Bawe hilly areas on other areas are so like North Kaneshin, some parts of Abekan La Paz, Equatriums are large side of because of the hilly nature of the area. No, not precious no intimate and full popono and now cocono into one hilly areas no munya omunya insuno papa
Asanka to aso say adwumakuo no enam sikasemu ahokyere bebremu ya ne senti wonom transmission lines and pipes bi asese no wontumi nsiesie ye
akosombo dam spillage no of excess water no it was shut downstream no a lot of aquatic weeds na sludge na debris na no keka ho nti yeah downstream intake plant our downstream no was actually affected because the force na yam pump no usually abstracting so no attract na abstract a lot of these debris na water hyacinths na sludge na no nti it choke abstraction lines no to the extent say na intimi entry so dodo na so entity amana affect the eastern part of Accra nti na so na wole sa area sunya no na
adehia ya womo ewo Kenya se wa fomantam ne mu nso ya odie wo mu ofi se womo kwan no ne bobre ne nye kra nti ha wo no adwen wo Sutifi North mensin mu a womo hospital ho tichu ha dwen ama pomoden no se de nka wo se ye no enye ne sanfa ma wo mu nti ebi ne Adom TV kase edi nkomwe
me Adom Kenya anse enya hospital nenso wo behwe akwaa eba hospital ha se enuma sabi o se ambulance kwa de obi ba highly difficult se ebetime de na ba potholes ahodo a ewo ha enti Ghana bai ye fa sa akwanya nso na afa ye de adesede ato anim ne yasrew sese entimi nya hwe kwa emwa Kenya ase hospital na madawo ma hospital road nso obi kwa nyamne so obewo na se emu aye de ne ba wa ha unu ha no adi ka wa wie okwam enti madaroma ye be se ye fa sa akwanya nso ne ye de adesede ato anim enya abanko individual philanthropist ya ebi wo mu nsemu na efa sa akwanya so ne yasrem se ebred
Bayanto Adom TV Badwam kase no so na yen konsam foforo emu ene assistant secretary de Emma SSA UOG ye Gladys Alantia nene wode kokobo na Emma wo mu colleagues na strike no nti ebi ana wo mu department head ebe hye won kete so won koye adwuma se memahu bi an hye won na obi antumi ehunahuna wɔn mo nea wɔso wɔn yɛ bia ma wɔn nsatumi ka aban na de wɔsa aban de ma wɔn no ɛno aso na wɔn gu a wɔyɛ a wɔne Adom TV kase edi nkɔmɔ yi
strike na yɛ kɔɔ yɛ no yɛ fa mra kwan so ansa na yɛ declare strike no nti obi antumi ntwɛte na obiara ɛno nti na yɛ ka kyerɛ yɛn nkrɔfoɔ no sɛ montena fie na mo leaders no ɛna adi mo anim bibia ni ama mo soro mo frɛ yɛn so obi ka kyerɛ mo sɛ wan ba adwuma mɛyɛ wo sɛ ya ma wo leaders no asonte na yɛ hwɛ kwan a ɛbɛfa so asiesie asɛm no nti me fa sa memma ehunahuna biara en tete mo ma mo sɔre mba adwuma because yɛda achinti na yɛ nyina yɛ kɔ halls no nyina no timi hu sɛ national service nkwa na ɛwɔ hɔ hall assistants ina nim adwuma no yie na wo de national service ni betena hɔ a ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ adwuma no yie mistakes nkwa
Enwechi, Vice Chairman Ematehu Benjamin Kumsa enso ka de to aso se echiatie ya wo mate waban ne so no wo mbehwe se wo munkuma ni nyina ebedi so.
Okay, see occurrence. Me pa mcho mo akase na mo so occurrence bi. Ena de hu bia mo so mahu bi. Ena wo se occurrence no me se office pin ni ya tutum. Nti ya de aye no ye ni so. But as you said, in the beginning, not until government calls us on us to sit on the issue, we will never step here, and we'll keep on striking.
Our election protest, Kokromoti power, Yadamo Kwabato more and some Yasha Nimo Yamaya Duma Damemenda, MPP Amanukono, Ekosianim na fame, Rashabeja 4, walk or 2 about a you on our prayer, 2024, no emo. Na ekobani say ya yabo pro ekwa abato mpesua no so bi ekwohwe de ekoso ne ye de ani ache Ablekuma North abato mpesua no eso na womo a ani da kwan se womo pre homra Shebedwa akonya no na se mu eden kane ambassador na wo China ani da kwan se obesa akwa pre biem 2020 okoi one MP owo so Batels yamani boni jamra akwo twum ani abato mpesua iso ade hye akasa
Sila, wame yashi, ekwefri, wame yashi, eto mienu nyina, yambambu o monofu from la. Eno ano no.
Mienu nyina dukadaya. Because yeah, we don't have any development around the local here.
Sila batas ekwefri you know, obia ya den anso me de fence to me I prefer ekwefri sanka on sanka back.
At yehwe nimpa modern morning sene oni o pedwa ma youth ni dia. We that say Sila batas better than a free.
Free. Or Sambaya and Kebe. No, but so man may do me because got there. A mutimi finsa.
And Wachi, Adom Cassia, any Domfrefo, the MPP Amanyukono, Ewo, Ablekuma North, Alaji, Ubakar Brahma, Echuchen Koma, Efa, Ambabua, Yahusia, Omoye, Edia Chen Memenda, Abatua, Eba.
Oh, so far so good this year, dear. Honestly, campaign the year, but there's no way Obeka say nipa mienu ekwa election there baku be kasati baku ana say baku kasati, but I hope say by the end of 27th January the delegates will give me a quality candidate to win the election general election for them.
Every afe 1997 and MPP Edi Ablekuma North Akonyano Edi Besi Sabri Ora Kwame Batels Ebefa Akonyano every 1997 Edi Besi 2009 Emma Justice Joe Apia Ebefa every 2009 Ebesi 2017 Ena Nana Epia Uso every year Ebefa every 2017 Ebesi 2021 Sheila Batels Ena Tia Akonyano Sabri Midin Edi Jamra Akowachu
Yeguswa ya wa abatuo no mo ensam na Chief Executive Officer National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program NEP Kofi Ofosun Cancer na wonso ehwe animo se obepre Asante Achim Central abato mpesua no eso yesina ni so se wobeboa ne mpesua so se yeto abama no a woni Adom TV kase edi hu komo
se yekoto aba obidisika edada mkrofo se bi amayoko Ghana nyina ne bi yekoto aba yeka wasem yenya na nya ade ani je hu na dodo na abeti obisi amamiska obeti se menyase yese janchi obi ase ampa wonam kwan so disika mo obi so nkoto aba it said bibisa ba then as a committee ba na yekotsase the commission na as a party our stance is very clear say idea yekoto a obi disika beda do obi die enya ade so
Nenso ni nyina mu no MPP Amanyoko no e de atudwa se aba wo ba beto no Formina Badwam Pesuano so na nya de obetu bi wo ho no mo esan se wo kire mu a wono mo ahyeda e na waye ne saa afi court injunction a wokoje to abato ebekọ so e wo nhyian so Badwam Pesuano so ho no mo no eno nso wayi afiri ho no mo Justin Kodua wo ye amanyuku no trɔtrɔfo ekire mu se bibia ansan yansi ekire bi mu a nhyian so Badwam Pesuano so no obeto wonom aba
Formina so wa sem no so National Party no say ya three boas kakra of Formina ho na every sem no ya the direct paper ama akwan ya befa so ya beka Formina sem the say bia the betum nyina monim then yenya kan kam so say the yaka say bibia ko the year beto about 27 it means say party na clean say betimi aginabu say yakoto aba obidisika edada mkofo sebi amayoko Ghana nyina ndibie yakoto aba ekama
na no pay yede esie osmosis moni ena ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo yenkoi yetwe ho simen yaba the bonkrata no wa online stories no so e wa ha ye ba e betwa so
So I was hoping you wearing the Black Stars jersey right now, you'll be jubilating. And I saw you moving around happily after the 2 goals. But now the expression on your face is otherwise.
Well, I'm not really surprised with the results, with the outcome, no. I'm not.
Why?
See, I enjoy football. I don't only watch football. Do you get it? So, if you have a coach who is indecisive with his substitution, that's what happens on a field of play. Yes. I'm saying this because you had your wings from the flanks. You had Joseph Pinto coming from the flanks to come and cut in to get you a penalty. You saw Kudus giving the ball to Gideon Mensah, to Jordan. Jordan cutting from the flanks and then to Kudus, and then it became a penalty. That should tell you your flanks are working more than your midfield. Do you get it? But what can he do? He can just bring on a flopped Baba Idrisu from our first match with Cape Verde and our second match with Egypt. He can just bring him on because why do you take Richard Lamptey, the local player, to an AFCON and even take him out from a lineup? What did you see before you called him up? Do you get it? What did you see?
So you think the Baba Idrisu substitution was the deal breaker?
See, every coach will defend his win. And Chris Hughton brought Amate and then Ali Duseidu to defend your win. Do you get it? But what happened to the Dayu? The Dayu was not supposed to. You could have just read. Sometimes I say that Chris makes these players look useless, and somebody will tell you that it's not the coach's fault because the coach is not on the pitch. But trust me, tactical error counts in the field of play. Do you get it? You could have just played Jordan 10 because you had the win. Bench the Dayu. Bring on Nuama to come and take Jordan's position. Help Kudus to be cutting in and then soaking match was pressure after Ashmero got out. Do you get it? So I feel tactically, Chris Hughton is always getting things wrong.
So that's the problem.
We have a flop coach. We have a flop technical team. Even the AFCON itself that we had the chance to go to was a flop. Because looking at these matches that we've played, it shows clearly how we performed at the World Cup. Do you get it? It shows clearly how we perform at the World Cup. So I think for now we have a flop Black Star. Yeah.
According to you?
According to me.
Black Stars is a flop project. Charlie Hado, Ghana Black Stars.
My body order, but me my head self warm.
So if it is, then go do it.
Charlie, you score 2. 80 minutes. Then I like how you gonna bring the day. You perceive where you bench them with the play well now you bring them. See the way we retire.
But it be the day where you cause the goals.
First, it be the day where you cause the penalty. Made them score with the first one. So the moment they score with the first one, then go give him play against us for the second game. You see? So as them score, then give him so then go fit here. You're not supposed to bring the day at the second half.
So right now, Cape Verde qualified. Egypt has also qualified. Now we're hoping to be part of the top 3 third qualifiers.
Yeah.
You think we still get hope?
We never get hope. With 2 points,
we'll be hopeless.
We'll be hopeless. The whole team, I say Ghana, Jordan, him brother, they're not supposed to bring them for the team self again. Make this be them our last games in the play. So if it be them be the team all in downfall.
Mo adien de odin ho nwanwa. Ye no e de no. Obi besi. Aboye dua na mo sesa. Ya na aboye hu dua. Techrema. Ye de anu be kan no na bi achi o. Ti wo de fa we ye mfato ho. Last adi. Me e be share ne e be fie ne e be fie. Nti ye shakura so in extra time. Obi how extra a year de to so keke. Fabrane de abetete ne equalize. And then they am ko one go project. You could it too. Nti hwe techrema yie. Ye wo ke bia no. Eye adumo. Umien kan sempa me ye wo man ya ha na ye tie. So de bia negative. Na e be hye na enye yie. En hyem komo e be ka sesike be to agu multimedia obi abesesa da. We ye mu a e be hye tese bibia ye negative. Are Erade ere esesa wonza wo ye so na anu ayedi. O mu akwa bana me no wase. Nyame nko na mo ha. Nti ye ne no wonkasa bebre o go straight to the papers. Ko adwere woni tiri mu no. Ko jegu ha ebe ha dwente ne nkasa se be no na make kan wase me mo ache.
Boko de.
Oh nyame ade.
Oh okay then
oh I too gentle.
Well,
maintain it.
So at the end there.
Messi man gawe.
PR mu no dress wa. Ultimate show be we tie and die na say we there dem is buza PR. Onu na nyame adma da de junction kwasi ada we. Okọ ware by any intimate nko bi no otopo no adade junction na etime akota.
Adade junction no ho nyina.
Kaso akwan so. So oje park na ho nyina. It's a Tuesday, January the Thursday during miensa 2024 the trading pojango ponase say tiebiano. I say the storm is over into so show him now cause bo
na as I see afi mu the Tuesdays no waja fasting no.
Minyan shase. Me say amount for 21, amount for 3, amount for 18, amount for 40.
Yeah.
So you should be led by the spirit. Fiti preoccupant ka say me ya come kire. De oti de wo hu de wakenkan de beba. You should be led.
So was I be we bia. Send enya na asem tama.
Me digu me HSM me me manu ina no afi butari say ye nyina ye winam ye numsu ye didi. Emu fita ye the food special the juice. It
no so yen so.
Dabi bosume ye nyina ye be si ofi obi si.
So de monye because baby I adepa na insha. Baby adepa nam no.
Baby adepa wa yira kwai.
Adepa de.
Edo abukwa adepa. Ma be kan o ti o o ka di o TV.
I'm not figure but omo de ayini beto be ma wo de no ne ye case study but any problem someone who say also ye be fa ho ne de ye be so de so bia no so de eye no munsuo ne mo
so ye kwapa
no matter what and fat drinks and enye so we fruit juice into yensu an one so yensu
all right
it yen try na ye no munsuo ye da say be na say na wan ka hwe
but the here say
nante na aba for their punishment eso omo nante omo ban so akentene no omo ko ho famra na ye ne ade omo ya de nye hwe e de ya ayi akensi obi ba obi di kan obi anso nyame
se ade no wasam no apa mai nti kase bi de ogu no
eno na otwa
de odu ano be kan nti mini problem ya enko ani ti na pese be ko ani de nyame anopai ni se koso hwaso ye de wankasa wo ye na ye ni yi it's very important afenzo de tosu bi emi yankasa ye tailor ye yonko sronko Jerry ne papa da from ene na otweda e wo winiba Jerry ba bia obutu bia no wasom Ghana wa kwanya sabi bi ntade pimpam ne ntade hye ne material papa Jerry ye kasa de radio to safre ne papa nti ye nkota na chi na otwede na ye ne ho hyehyɛ nso no ebeba sa
Mr. Gatti nyame fa crazy
me hu sa ayino Mr. Gatti
Gatti for the doors nti
okay
say dini dey honest
hey man fanti for so Gatti o Gatti say busheni modu Gatti
bi wo hono mo a
as we go kuma so abo adai cutlass no abo papa o de sa ampani papa no de one store by na friend then they transport here the so no debut ampadu so kai
o de nyambo
debut say ampadu timi kai
onyina ampadu shia small boy wo ya wo oh papa e dia me na famani okay ho baby o de ntwa
eti kuma se dini bi no ye bo e bia ye bo senchiri and a bo adai cutlass.
I will call a ahafusi a ubofa.
So I say, it didn't do open region beyond a bushia or your day. Omatitimo
oko vote say come up play and the musa and the musa and me to we ya say me
tamakura bushia
me de no nya me be sre ma tia bata me konti ya munya stel ma
ko baby a be rabia no ura hafu ura bunu east baby a titare musa eno so njeze mo ni nko briobi you know afro papa Francis Puku Kumasi Puku transport or Magia Broso. You know, we are there. Nakwakaza. Dini de Taro Anna Georgia, Mammy, Chromoso Mobush. I'm better the WhatsApp, Papa.
Oh, some culture.
Abba, when they come for me, so my.
Okay.
Funny to do. Chobia. Dear Kaza Ghana still must move on. Miss Semwa, let's put it behind. Dear, here Cassiana said we should learn lessons. We don't learn lessons. See, you are dear. Politically, and socially, and can be sure say any such time. Since summer, who do to do the work at them, they bring my home daily graphics say ahead of election 2024. So, if we want to anchor some intese or the nano to Saba, when you could do a me penasem pa. Reverend Dr. Ebenezer Makwe, General Overseer, Living Streams International, say be firm, fair, transparent. Reverend Makwe charges EC or Kasache Electoral Commission for Sabato Ebetu Yesremo. Mama makoko nyedu mama no kredi mo yes nye hu bia na mo we anase nyoma bia mo ye kana sichi bia debi oba any man also say 3 petroleum revenue projects stall and a trade minister urges Chinese businesses to comply with laws. China for ni bi wonma omo ho ahom te chen bibia the Daybreak say leave upon paper alone and afi Ekunfi chiefs deny Mahama big one. Baumia launches 660 million youth women project. And him say the new finder GRA laments revenue losses occasioned by SML suspension or her SML for the GRA in common moody back and forth. The GRA for truck as a debut promoter. Some of my SML for Jumana Moyana a capa Ghana bebono. Yes, young Cassibit media dance yes. Juma moye edin faso de brain ti mo monto asonye was moye mohwehwe mum. Professor Dai emphasizes integrity in media practice. Yen so Professor Dai o de futu amaye. So the body century a de hia kase pa na onu kredi e hia pa ni gidi ani pa benya wo mu se o fiama ka asem we nko ade sa na tie. Kwabna santia ka asem we nko ade sa na tie nti yen the body century for no yes, me and to any munyam near no credi, and to na JJ mo. Nipa, your mreyo, name Bribia Dabinya, Quenya, say, O Casache, Nipado Donan, Magana, Huasem, and no credi, and yet candy for and Famau, or say never Boama, when you met me, we pay you. The new find any was 250,000 young people get 660 million Ghana cedi to access dignified and unfulfilling jobs. The unconswaba Kumasi Ihuruso, in dada, and na otri pepe else MPP Amanyo Kuno, Eko yi baby, Chairman would to Mishabiano, and Nico efficacy now Omnico D in Como. And him so will MPP allow BCU to contest primaries as Misa only Charles BCU in Fonine OSP so Fonine Abato. Ira Mwakwata no for Precope of a match. In Mr. Ubutu, a year of constituency, when you had the echo or say government builds capacity for 20 local contractors. One by 2017 in Ghana for this year, road contractors. I say a buying Boapayum, Washada Momo Gina Monasu pa said the Beya Umbenya capacity no. Say Jumadin be about a year Ghana ha a year quite ya one bit to me. If you be any
Pastor Blankson, the software ward of Mahim. Oh, good. So watch you, Pastor Blankson. On so repa. Ya dam was sick when you are more kahuntina. I who much a sorry in your better, no so. And you need too many pet. And then Kofi Ambedu. Or Benjamin can't know much. Hey, it was a Dwada Pana Bema Attia Wizard. Oh, my body number. Moya dear. And you're better. I don't say, oh, my Moya dear. Me that's so still, just say, enya no paso ye munti anti pasta blancs no man ko ye da se na nati wa wo dwaben e no so hwe asante dwaben
oh na nati
na so so chese difference ani so nyina ha
also adani routine
oh yes ono anu akachem se ya meka de mu ye nyina kire na nati wa no pay ye chia o ye mu ache so
nati wa ye chia no pay
ene metitu bi edi won ma woda ye be ma no ma me nka wa hanso awura ye Mary Kofo amu akofo nana ya mame ya social media
okay
autism
okay
what mo dawo ene na woda ene wanya 51 years
oh wow
tinya mi shira ne nyoti penze o ho
yeah oh na say o ku kaza de ayo we do twam so
o body ne o stature ne
bibia no koso
ene o hene yere gifty antin so
ene so na woda
wanya 54
oh
sounds ashokyo ya de bia me catch say my body
oh to bo as na nipa mra yo yenka no bedwom sa
oh menka se menka wa bako sam kakra enti nyame hira
oh wow 54
because mun look I think so mo number na sesa either 45 or then
yeah
and na wahu nyame hira mo too much onko so hira mo kwam na mfensi ye semre no so tie da mo se mo mre no mo adaje se de bia ye no na agudie ba na fe health tips no so aba halitosis eno munka ebi ana bi wo so esi bi anu den nyan obi a wo bi de ba bi mu de no yare ti no tie week mu ho nkomo eno no ahosepen so ho mambo
mo fonsiri nipa
fanse na edimpo se bi wo bi so obetimi approach no to why exam ho because anu den ya na wo kan se wo manipa na ani awu ti covid ne ba and the world exposing
the few heba any the few heba erade hu nyina mabona sa sinto
bia no hye
ebi wa
the few heba onya nka twade ya na de twitwitwi ho afan e chini nyina firi ho wanu mo no so twu setetrema no fi nko a twitwi ebi onso na yare bia ye hwe ni nyina week ma hu nkomo no ye kɔ ne atwaso
Famra Adom TV so Adom TV so bi dwuma die so dia o kan se won sempa esa kan no pen so jao within the profit ke wala sa kudi catch back ko pe na no pen so masa ginem na eden kuma hodo esa kan Ghana gudi mu so 18 ba send so mam say game park games wo mu the eagerly anticipated pick one game na 18 ba arrival with the bank but more than that so do between say we between game park games from 1 to 36 o pick na mesna na west take ugita 1 Ghana cedis an ko pem 350 Ghana cedis o between game park games o be 26 times to stake into 1 Ghana cedis time 26 na for hezika bibibi and our boys dia 8 na nyasem keto kra dial *946# all networks na fato game park games no oko www.gameparkgames.com and also mpemfo ha between sanhwaboa emaniama etiatutu ye dia ma draw ne ba so e wa Adom TV so anopa no nkron ana afi premtobre ana afi nwumre nusia na draw ne e ba so nti wendia anopa betia dia wia wendia wia betia di enwumre nti betia dia anopa dia wia san dia enwumre so esa dia peso nti game park games o se more power o motechiri pa ne design share so kwetwen se jao National Lottery Authority for paying for techiri ne mum oni mu fini otwen fa wonyim chacha diwa adwene betia bom behavior ne be different betia po te se kraman kra nti na o de adwene kakra etua saton play responsibly enti ye kano na eye Kingdom Heba enso the Kingdom no tetahwe be se miensa na o de abija the Kingdom Garlic Bitters ne Kingdom Garlic Capsules na ba mesrewa immune system no pese edene pampen asrafo ase benya do kutia enyadewa no omo he den na fo mu kuntia wo yade wa ina ma wa Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules aduro ebo adwuma too much ano enam sa pia bo modern da sa so betia kembe boa emaniama etiantutu dia ma low blood pressure yi free ho na fe cholesterol stadie ene anwa adoru nyina ro mo jem sam free mu se kama me mutimi da koje senya kunsu eno pa ho a reduce sugar level no stabilize sugar no emaniama etiantutu ye de ma bo modern da sa so be ka Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules oko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops audio organize on sabetia kabi New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no anahwese ne Mexico so a blaster lusa mafo kwantimi emmo adwuma ompam enti New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules betia booster na aboa recommended for sexual weakness memedru no man toma me man e beji de mo adwuma ma asodua ba fie mesre obomode da set me ka do bia one sexual weakness beton kwanta pa waist pains untimi to pa no konani manachi a eno so ebeko obetimi se hu se ampa niam etoto yi afi mental stress awdo fam ema extra iwale ahoden sonko power obetia bo adwuma best no hwero ha na akire na still ogusu gina nan so a o pompe sa ene owia te se guest ne bom na ne chairman ni na new kingdom jensen power capsules edu no ano enampa modern da son so betia kabi ye the tremendous capsules so etia san ba edu ye adwuma too much candidiasis white fita na so di ponachewa tremendous capsules ne properly boa emaniama 822 ye edema body odor ebi ye free ho na ma ho kan etia san ko ye pa ne chairman ba okaso ntia boa obetia mo ho san se why doko why why de it is so tremendous capsules this medicine works tremendously tea o set me can betia boa kingdom home estate edidan papa na etia saba eda no ye ma modern and quality a house betia saboa na obusuan motima ne matia tutu ye ediama yani kan se bambo ho sem o ma yiri mu pampen eno pa ho a enyenam kan agina so yesan standby generator so yesin so ne de eba wa e wo kingdom home estate akache afi kingdom home estate no eba every botanical garden some few meters drive betia san ko na do ani a kire boti force ana face a five resort ho tete kwashi memorial hospital so ben ho a opomodon sem na toba na wote kingdom home estate uni how cry behwe aboa maniama etiantutu ye ediamam ekopon right after the latte junction on sabetin akom na for nempenfo 20 so o hwe kingdom achiri kwan mo kan shi drag lane obetian free kingdom e wo 0536149961 0536149961 na on kingdom herbal center yentwetwe nkomo na yema adu yesam odu no yema kingdom home estate no ana betin aboa ema niama etiantutu ye ediamam e wo dwumadi a ugusu edimiti no na wahye no so e de amame a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from the first step pension CMFF African Cup of Nations and group A matches out with PM Equatorial Guinea wo Ivory Coast near Abano no Ghana is out until wrestling nationality immediately after that abysmal performance na coach Chris Hughton and so any central football puni kuma odijai Can Blasters of Ghana head coach after say no your boy Tipenko 2-2 with Mozambique the members of Mozambique no and on this sound come on 8 to January CAF technical team also sound surprise you be a man of the match say Kudus and a man of the match inti Kudus also after the game on also the Nkomo Ejai no Kudus Mohammed and Atene can say at a point lose concentration na Ghana you lose concentration from the start of the game sir I could say yeah befi you still you lose concentration one hekra na omatwam afi akra sande omani a che country for ni na loss of concentration ibia but we still na ACL kwa Ghanaian journalists after say a ball game ni wie no omu kutie omankasa omu players e represent your man no omanu masem ne ya e house away o how yi ba ya Ghana ball 2-2 a che say last match so e pass no way na ohwesene Messi ko so a press omutete bi sheba se chi bi hintadua chi enyazam getwa kra bo ni akoma na hwe ne ekoso e wo Ivory Coast no na jude su
Coming down. Tell them. They have to come down. The bus will go and pass over there, and then they will come to the mix zone.
We are waiting for them. We won't do anything. We just want to ask them questions. We won't touch anybody. We are just asking questions. We are asking questions as media. We won't touch anybody. Shadow, go and bring them. Shadow, bring them. Bring the players.
You overprotected this place.
Bring them.
Ghana Central 4 and then A plus Nibu Punimpu, Aminu Shadow Air Blasters team manager. na ohwese Mexico so a digital team manager ni bibia o iPad so nti nka o the digital ni bebre general said we need the players, they want to speak to them, we are not beating them omo nkobom e be se ni kasa but still ni na no amfa omo mo journalist ne kwa mfiom kra amfa nya hwe wo se na Mexico so nyame adoma e be di akira hwe se na nema esi ekose e taxpayers money e di tuanko for ka wie na fe omo putu up abesma performance okoji interview so na no so akoye problem e Ghana nti nyame adoma na matches ne betia sa to aso biu na channel so mam se 5 p.m. Gambia and Cameroon and be share can happen so Guinea ebeton said first Senegal na omso e dia boso ye ba group D game and also 8 p.m. and ajude sum na no so betia ba so Angola and Burkina Faso be share na afen so kora no e Mauritania wom any Algeria e dia boso we African Cup of Nations na nema Asia kono and de won komo kakra so etia ba na afen so na nema ebesi akọ ehonom enkomo de mo na na ebesa de abreo nyame adom na nwumre after 10 ebesa sinkunya biu eno Ivory Coast inside Ivory Coast ebekọ ho biu na afre hwesene nema city e wa Ivory Coast nti cheno so mam se 10 to 11 nwumre bia no enkopem se AFCON bekọ na wie no 10 to 11 nwumre bia e wa ha ye na no na dwegina mu nti uko YouTube abo se ho inside Ivory Coast obehwe nkomo ahodo etiense pp mu enane ye de ebreo Kingdom Herba e de Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules afi New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules so ye memedro second bebo tremendous capsules say man de yi odi po white filter na say Canada is free ho afi Kingdom Home Estate e de dan papa na tiamba obetia free Kingdom 0536149961 0536149961 na one Kingdom yentwetwe nkomo yemwa ema onsan kan no papa bi afi senya dan papa so trem afi Game Park Games the eagerly anticipated pick one game na aba arrival with the bank Game Park Games say from 1 to 36 numbers yi mu bia obetia select na de atwa obetia di ni befu na ukita 1 Ghana cedis obetia atwa ahankopem 350 Ghana cedis utwa obedi 26 times to stake na intimesrew wo de say 2 Ghana cedis kwa na de atwa wadia wo de kakabomhwe times 26 let's say nyasam keto kra the eagerly anticipated pick one game no what dance na bidija no star 946 hash star 946 hash all networks will be to the track at gameparkgames.com and also on sabetia kind of Adom TV so no draw the bus 9 a.m. after 12 noon and then 6 p.m. and you may and so 18 bus you can Game Park Games as more mula more power Game Park Games are regulated by the National Authority afi ni mu fringo twen so a e found gym afi obon so afa dwene kakra tiensa ka ho we so ebetia bo me na yasum etiensa adwe me the prof wala sagudi catch back open am gidam of course evidence based presentation etiensa ja nkomo de bebri na ana ka me froto nyame adom na me sanya mere a me transe na afia san bon nkomo mo na wo sena nhyɛ ne esieko hyɛ ne so ma me sɛ nkomo aka wo chiri bebri na ana eba Adom TV so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
And then some more about Adom TV, Badwam health tips. So now watching mon komo halitosis and also bia enka e wone num emra obone ni so etofa chire ne neno ya baba hwe courses no me dia se dem endpoint homeopathic clinic say ya re bia dia yonko ho prostate no guso ye free scanning e dia ama emema no ba wo e na wo penso a o ye free scanning dia ma wo ahwe wa wo die no se problem bi e wo hɔ a ko endpoint homeopathic clinic na tena ye bia na ko pɛ apomuden pa ana frɛ doctor o frɛ ne time bia obejo so e wo 0244867068 0244867068 minuaba Ernest Augustina afram e wo ha mensa afram eba dental therapy anase munim dia wabene pa ena na wotwi oni yedi nkomo oba na so mu akwaba ya da se eno obo ne tofa de maye ene ye pese ye hwe courses e de pa na de enka ana halitosis ebebrobi
okay me da se me facho eka halitosis na me courses no doso kakra but common ones ena me pese e ben yen no ena na me pese ye nhwe ne edi kan e poor oral hygiene e ka se poor oral hygiene na se unni wenumuni wenumuni na is your oral cavity nti se undi wenumuni one ya de a ebetumi de halitosis abrel ana enumunka abrel obi o ha osori anopa na odi nsuo ahoro nanum opentem na okọ atokai se obedware okoda anaju no wendi agro bia onna afom but osori wedware but ni refi said bibia odi ye enra ni nyina no because e kwan de da yenumuni nti enuane ni bi akohyehe ho nti wo se onchichi nese na saa nnuane ne nneɛma na odie na anwumere no wadwitwi ne sina no pa no kra na list onyi ne nyina mfiri they don't do that nti sɛ poor oral hygiene yɛ ade a ɛde enum kan ba sɛ wo hwɛ yɛ keterema na sɛ yɛ de abɛfo nim de te sɛ microscope sha yɛ keterema ne yɛ te sɛ brush a yɛ de twitwi yɛsin bebrebe na nyame de nim de aka bom nti sɛ wo de aduane hyɛ brush mu ɛde to hɔ ma ade kye a ɛbɛsɛn scent nti sɛ wan twitwi osin ne kra na o keterema na aduane ne fa so no we ntwitwi a ubehu se scent ebeba because ediane na apaki bebre na eguso so we say e wa kola fofora de keterema ye pink e start say ye ma ne nufusio mo se keterema na start say ye white e kire wo say bibi e wo so obi o ho abehu ne keterema so no enye kra sa de ni titru obi de halitosis ba na ye hwe no yetimi ka se kotutu keterema so keke o yes a practice na eko na wo ka pink enkora ne de na se tetema na ye pink sa na nyame boy ketema ti white was why a problem ba cho yan enema we di no e na akaso sa de ode hair brush uti a enyi no e kaso no ana ye makeup brush ye dibo ma be won se akaso sa na ketema ne nso tie nti wo se time bia be make sure se wo twitwi ketema no ama sa pink no anyame de ma wo no eno aba obi so be twitwi ne se no animu de no na weja dodomu no inside no eno ne nka ho because animu de no de sre nti osre a animu de fe but ubebie makomu no na ade na ye friend plug na calculus no eno nko a plug no so say for me a bacterial no mu and ade bi e living organism ewu a say e pro e din kaba nti eno nso so ma sense ebeba wenum the next thing I say me nko so omo smoke no tobacco omo tobacco no so as the bia offer no it hide it and the corners of your teeth and also timima scent ba wenum alcoholism omo num ensa no obia beje decide num nsa de beche no na scent e wo wenum na omo wo yare let me fa yare chronic diseases to say lungs infection kidney liver omo ulcer sa yare na nkasa naturally no etimi ma scent eba wenum enuane bi e ho a wudi to say jene garlic spices sa eniema no say wudi na akwa stomach no ema reflect back into also wudi sa eniema no so a ema scent ba wenum into say obi nya halitosis a ye hwe sa eniema ni nyina ye be bisa wo sa eniema ni nyina you into all of this na ya try say ye be ma wa avoid it obi beka say na jene de me de JID obetimi edi but in a raw state no e be ma wo HID okay my own number no so na me no ko na nim na ye be wie na wo twene de na obi enya wo number kakra okay me pa cho Perfect Smile Dental Clinic and Foundation your number is 0243 728542 0243-728542. Okay. Enti enwie nyame ya dom ochena nso kan ye ho na ye nto aso ene wa ntehwe kura wo techere mane de twitwi so enkura ne de no twitwi so maye na pink no emra me de afia amankwa ata maklo chena nyame ya dom a ebesehia and then some more yada say ya mo akwa ba bia me Adom TV Badwam na ocean no health tips and ye day akwa wie no mo nkomo bi wo hopa ne no show no so aye de ntimesro mesi bibia so wo free fie nko ade a join ye live on Facebook/Adom TV extra medin de afia amankwa tamaklo na mamentu fa me ko zoom na mene ohene yire Messi asiedu edi nkomo aka ne huhunum ni ade nsem bi ebi mu keka sese ya na me hunu de Ghana fo ye nyade afri mu nti yenko ne yenko tie mfi wono ankasa nanum sasam no set say ya gimu enchemu afri ohene yire Messi asiedu ho e wo sansam no a ene na mo emframemo efa ye ohene ankasa eho ye ni kunu ho no owura yire ana ohene yire Messi asiedu wote ye nka ye mo afihia pa
Ohene ye wuti enka on mute wo sound no na sebe ya obeti enka ye. On mute wo huma ye yente wonka. Ohene ye mente wonka kra ba mi hu se wo kasa ba mente on mute na yente wonka. Okay, inti ebe try na yasa ne no akasa na Kingdom Herbal for ewa Kingdom Garlic Bitters ewa ha ene Kingdom Garlic Capsules no e boost your immune system no emma so immune system ewa nwodin a yare bi antimi ntre ne padua no emu inti se wo pese uma wo cholesterol eba form ojabroso wo so siche yade nom ne ade a mesro nom Kingdom Garlic Bitters ene Kingdom Garlic capsules say garlic no ne capsules na beno manasa ne betesa ni nyina eye adwuma ebaako eye Kingdom Herbal for na akofa no yi aba ya wa Kingdom New Kingdom ginseng power capsules so ho eye mema nko a ede se bema osisimu aye mre mental stress no muhia energy na wode aye wadwuma New Kingdom ginseng power capsules eno na wuhia hye no so se eno no me se eye mema nko adia emema ne nom na mu ahoden se be obetumi de asore akwaba bribia hwehwe Kingdom Herbal Center wo Kanshi Drug Lane eho na obenya se nro yi nyina bi ade ato ne mom pharmacy ene herbal shops bia mo oborum anrei ubenya bi 0536149961 0536149961 ana 0303939987 Kingdom or no challenger. Ghana Post egusua ya wonomo eboa yen baby a yadofo hye bia na opese wo ye na do ya Fred Ghana Post na on rapesa ne ma no fanko adofo no nche se birthday na opese wo de de ma bi ekoche wo dofo se Ghana ha sa mo no ne bia Ghana Post ye deliveries no eko dry fish kotoje bayre engwa bushmeat abroche for wem na ya no muhie obi akente papa bi oniema papa bi apese wo de emane no Ghana Post and rapping a come and fanko emma Ghana hakra na apese ye de bi free cran kokumase e kwa toye kwa poye ani nyina Ghana Post for ebe ne kama ko Facebook, Instagram, Twitter any one chat wo ho ana send one more message fa WhatsApp number is so 0542 527 004 0542 527 004 Ghana Post secured smart deliveries. Mama here sabre ohine yire otemen kadia. Ohine yire Mercy esiedu. Woti yenka yemu official pa. Eh. Ampedi mesramon sancha ki bie mama na mentenenka. Beteso wo kasapa ba mentenenka. Fache nti ebetwa eno eso na G-Step enso a challenger ya Ghana Science and Tech Explorer Prize challenge 100 schools aye be free Ashanti Eastern Greater Accra region ya mebuni eche won bobre wa be for kwan so ya womode ebeboa a solve issues ene niam ahodo aye go through so oman na nyame ya adoma final one no ekoso yawada ebekoso yawada 25th eto obi ansa no so yenyina ye hiem wa Accra International Conference Center 3 p.m. na je say ye mebuni abefo kwan a wo mo faso de solve issues na onso wahunu nia ekoso na ansa na 25th ne beba no 24 25th na no wo mo exhibition so wo ho enti ye hia wa Accra International Conference Center ne ye fa ye hunjim G-Step Challenge Dream Over Foundation Missed Africa Desk Technology and Founder Vine Ena Ede Ebro Fidelity Bank Cowbell Crewy Special Eyes Goal and Joy Prime Wamadharuma Energy Media Yede Ebro Nti Yenshano so nyame yadoma Thursday yenhiem wo International Conference Center ne yankoshe niema hodo a enemmabunu no nimdie kwan so womde ye enioma St Andrews College of Health ewa Sinfosu wani da kwan se da chi bia be ye nurse ni ene wo answer ni e wukura D7 E8 ene F9 a ubetumi aye nurse no ebi ense wo mre kura ne trumi kabra 2-year healthcare certificate program wutumi hwe no wi a wo kọ wanim wo level 200 or public health nursing for 0546 212 637 0546 212 637 and 0242 863 658 0242 863 658. Mamenko ohine yire afedi mu anda ho. Ohine yire Mercy esi edu tie nka ye mu afihia pa.
Ejuso mafia.
Yeda se papa sa afedi yate won ka bie mu. Yeda se ya chia me dofo no ma me wai. Ezie osime ma no afihia pa nso.
Mate obete pa otie upa.
Beda se pa na ede ne yetie Ghana for keka nsembia me ada mintimi fuma no nka. Mr. Ede asemwa.
A headline, oh yeah, my husband is not dead. And yet my husband, me am yesime.
Ayo, eya samo.
Yes.
One of say, eya one kasa.
Me and kasa yesime do is dying in UK.
Why?
Me nim baby a nipa kro no okofa news ni so da ye no na yeso mekum said I don't know. Because me babusia for frame nipa amanfo sene mame no mo busa me husband DNS me nkrofo nyina che say e fear and panic and I guy no iron
guy be no
enya sem ketwa
ofra wana
one frame obi anu say yes said that TikTok who said that YouTube SMS yes do wu na I'm say yakofa picture bi da was obi kokko ma o said na or dey aye no why sa caption no but ukomu a enya sa nso na tie eti caption no dey hunhuna nipa bebre just say amani ami hunen amani ami husband e hu no too much
samo na o he dey ntipa no bi be sa de no
me sukra me ni UK o
ai
me ni o ka say me wo US o sha me wo studio kra about 2 o'clock 2 a.m. And me nim at the cry na sometimes Ghana for na ebinum ayana omoji
ayasem ti dey na wo ka
tell you who news to be eka asay obi maame asetu obi akoma otu obi yira akoma na waja wo maame ho na wo di ewuo betu obi maame so a eya
ayasem
ede
na wo ka
tell but sometimes you be sure omo ka asem a ebeboa ewuo ye mfa nsusu nipa
Obapa yeda se kwatenten ne yesre de mawo ntino ye sure say wo blogger no mo friend mo ni nkomo na ne asotwe bi wo ho a mo mfama no na ensete as ayi
no dear because Ghana for ya aye niema bi a enya fe news bi o sometimes sabi viewers any sika o mo penti no or can semboni afa obi ho a onwene ho but enye kwanye wo se nipa ofa so no nipa bi ebinom sometimes ebinom fa news but the fact say me ya media sumasi caption to ho say ya amanfo be Russia kore minim ye say there some days in or this caption to all because nipa asani amayen no e chese viewers there obenya bi pa na onye careful
Ohun ye mfo unsi ha enjoy your life na studio o ya da o de ni mo ba na
me social no ma me chese me ba ya na chese bibia da so
mo koso na ye nyame ma nkon ne ahoden me chia obi anso nyame Israel ya da se no mre ya da
me chia Ghana for me busia for me fans nyina omo nka omo akoma nto omo yem me mui amazing grace for person omo kumia nyame nkume
enokre
yada enti beda omo nyina se omo esu freme omo text messages ni ade betiase se minim se sabe omo ateme nka wa Adom TV de minim se obia akoma ebeto ne yem
sa yada se nyame nka ho yada se papa enti mu a mo bo na wuto no ade ne no de ye nkasa bebre mu besa no ho no wote ase enti ene ohene yire Mercy ase edu awie mame
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking down on my.
Hey, now you stand for me. Because the sister Fanny, but second one, oh wait.
Oh yeah, mama, she my baby. Oh, A bra quanto more, yes, I mean, I've been a matter majimo.
Hey, what for mache? Yachao, Nenquala, don't ever no any esoso.
Hey, as George Spraz, do no anime. My actual name there, Reverend George Ankuma Mensa of Gentle Ministry and Prayer Camp. Midian Kasan and George, baby, from me. Say George, yes. Because my child do an idea. I'm a teacher in music, I teach music. I teach music okay University for a long time. With the legendary Konimo, personal assistance to Konimo.
Nobunketia, Lord Kenya, Obrafo, Conti.
Semi kaya radia yemineya, semi kanka winchiti. Baby ama bedri, iya radia dumbo. Kanine dia na different, one friend is Sabio.
No. Young Craig.
See, oh yeah, mama, remarry baby, oh. A bra quanto imo, yes, I mean, I've been a much too much more. O binti se kangaro anytime for rentino, me quite me maya, nyambutre. And quite a drum I saw Ramo. Me quite me maya, ma bonjo, vampire bonya me buona me betra. Me chamo say, nyankro. Me bronye. So someone not touching us, or me maya, we don't know. Or come dimia mana Bruce Untino, or no.
Okay, Malik, to enyum fofro.
Sike, my baby, my Valentine's. Girl, you tell me my temperature rise. If you leave me, I'm going to die. I swear, you're like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. You love it, they torture me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your uncle. Your body, they were carrying see. Upon now, make I see. Oh,
no, what to Nankasa, sir? It is anyone I said, and you had the power, and you been out to it. Mentive you. And you bear.
Sike,
wine, you
a Nigerian artist.
Aye, as such as say.
It's an Afrobeat.
Man, Tishi.
Yamitia Sile, Cateri did Sile.
Really?
Fabo. Oh, I shall fire.
But killer don't lie when I say I did it. Big stuff, big cash my way, but still I can't believe. And I 1 minute. Still I can't believe, but I can't believe myself full of shit. Dion was born for the course that I Who never walked up hands in the air? No hands.
Butter my bread, come and see your body. Butter my bread, come and see your body. Even because she now wants to marry you. Even because she now wants to marry you. Another, I am mata, I come money inside it. I am mata, I come money inside it. Mommy, what I something nice.
Okay. Who am I saying?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's why. Let's see.
Shemenim Mahomatia Mamisha P.A. Sabida Adonipi Yasimaya way a dakania do. Oh, it is a me, nada to such a shame. Shemenim, Mamisha P.A.
Hey, what's it then? What Rasta near for? I know for one, wonderful car. Aqua, Mama met us attention to show. Man work.
The first
I shall flip on glory in him.
Gloria in name. Aqua, sorry.
I'm watching that say, I ain't Thomas. It's really dear ma. Ya who ye why? Yada say, Yamwaka baby, Adom TV, Badwam now we saw a shadow na me wo ba heba hospital for ewaha. And I Dr. Bana Kasaba, not just a person who share in Punim Putuatias, you'll be one more, a be an own. Tiano, Dr. Bawaha, and I Yenuya Bema Sedik and so da Yanini di a home commono. And on me, no, I'm penny for me more fishy. I say, I'm quite amen. Dog, yeah, that's it. Wash out for CD and so the book will be a Kamisha Papa. Now, Sunday after Samunia, yeah, no, himself feels so must have bay. Yeah, we have a corner up there. Muntia, never check. And I never cross a day. I remember one
say, I can't say, is who are Peter Mom.
Yes, you know, but I Sancha Mwakaba. On time, over there is a baby. To other Roma, and then the first time a baby who said the first time I mean who physical and Mwakaba son could be more. Banheba Hospital, Canada Clinic, you see a pigeon Amanakoye Hospital. First year, I wouldn't want her for Asian year. Dear young free Banheba Hospital, after for Friday Simu.
No kwasam say my tie for na ya hwefo Africa pa.
Fifth say near Tiase.
Na no kwasam say ye ka ban a whole hospital. Na bibiri eta bisa say Dr. Ban den na obi ka say mu abu. Bruni de dade na ehim. Dr. Ban say o de ahaban na ebeto so. Onti ase. Me wo professors ne sabsabe atitira o ma hye de tuka ababe busame. Kwan ya ye fa so a ye to anompe ne spinal cord na o monti ase. Ba nipa no ba no obehwe obi ote ho na ye de ne start na o hwe se ne yesiti a obewie no na je se waje atum pepepe ene no kwasem se ene universities bebree afreye se ba ye mra me kirade because no ma bibi herbal schools na me ka ba bi bebree o mka se ba beba ho ase ne school fo ne dom be pu akọ ekwa kotie kwan a ban fa so ehwe kase ya na ye nipa bebree nwa na enya de nwa bebree akwasi broni maaya no na ye nananom to akase enya de bi a eboro so na ekire so me ka na no last 2 weeks me wo ha na ma me bi bae na rashes bi egu no na bebree ohunu ne awonya no ose ebi kura susu se wokosera nkum bi odware no ode ne nsa ka no ho se yabu se ho abia te se ne ya abono no oba na me se ma me ade we de se nya yi bio ya wa ya sa no kura wo fie ho afi wo hwe mi din hospital se doctor e de asem na ka kire mi na me se o kona kopɛ nwa na wo de ihye na fasera nkuto na fasera ne 3 days enra ne 3 ayi a mete wo na ma me na ba obisa me se me ye nipa na me ye honhom ana me bisa se enti wo susu se broni maaya no na ye na nanom nsa yare ya no ye se ye yare ye dada because wo hwe Ghana abakwasam a ye krachefo no Ghana beto ye enti ansa na kwasi broni be free na kurom aba Cape Coast abetra beto krache no na yesa ye yare ye dada yesa ye yare ye dada enti yare bia ni ho a ye kase ye de ba Dr. Ban so ye ya na enwanwa enyenwanwa kra na nipa bebre tokoso edi wo ho akoma ho akinye ebusa omo se na obi kase dompe no mu a abiebie no Dr. Ban obede na kansi ma me hwa ade bi o ahaban tifiri soro na betofo mu a acha ye boso me miensa boko na adane na tie nipa dua no wa nware 2 days 3 days wo de ho property ya na tie korona enti common sense ka kire wo se sa ahaban na de enti na ntumi nto akase na amakwan abeda kotudwe no ho very simple. Dr. Ban was Painters Road 18 Junction and maybe I will share me. We hear me walk right, me free, I'm a quack tenacity. A china me walk right. Miss Ross, we hear Dr. Bana, maybe a 101 won't be Biasia Brabici Yame. Kumase me wo atonsu agogo government hospital nechi. Yene government hospital nechi and a share fence so. Onya beto Dr. Ban, adi yare bi free utri so be se unase. Ye betu ni nyinase. Ye wonyaroa bebre ya ne sabesabi yo ukoboso a na obi o ye hair ba kure dwane ko. Ye se e bi ye kompo. Kompo jisa broni de sekan e kan ansa no we ye frim. Adro so ya mama ye wo the whole system ni mu. Enti ye de sekan yi we na e wo ha na ne ye wo mogam no be de na free ho. Dr. Ban tenase ene ye kekandu bena boom. Ene hu se sa ade ne ye system a wo nipa ne system mu de a. Ene adro ne jisi ye de fra aduane a wudi. Enti wo de fra aduane na wudi na anopa ne awiane anwumra. Sa kompo na wo so a sabse be ma wani eye fra eye den yare no maame na yare na se atu. Bibini se onti ase kom Dr. Made nyankomade na eye adwuma. Enye nyankomade o. Ye hwe yare na se ne esitie. Ne ehu ne bobre ne kwan a ye befa so a ye betu yare na se amawo. Amawo wanye wasumdwi na wanya wahoto. We nipa se onti ase. No kwasam say Dr. Ban ye was Spinters Road 18 Junction. Wo de do a taxi station for na wo ho na abuso obi a say o baba. Obi a do baba. Ya so ye wo was. Ye wo man mema ward wo ho. Ye physical massage wo ho. Ye physiotherapy wo ho. Ye lab kese bibi nya say oba ya sabasabi yo. E ya bibi dro ntini atama dro na ne de ama. Oba ye behwe BP. Ye behwe bibia, ye behwe folder bibi bia ma. Wa bakwasam no bibia e ya complete hospital. Eti ma wakoma ntu se sabasabi obi timika e na akonuma bibidura kidney be sei. Ma na ka kire wo. Wakosi obi asabase gawoni na wonto kasa nti ba bi o ne na mabonten no e de adura brewa no wagye anoma wose wakonuma bibiduro wa na opa wo yare wakosi obi ka mu wo hwere ne ba bi a wu no Dr. Bate faako ye ka asa ba wo Spinters no enye na ne chena enti de ade nko ana ba de be ma wo asabase bi wo kwa wo ba beto no ye bone Dr. Ban nya sa sabasabe enne hospitals akese sabasabi yo aban ne oba medical doctors ekutomo ma amene o papa nsa no de o ma baba e di entira because obia gie tum se ban ya adwuma papa e bi ene stroke yare na ayew wani da so wasa wo fa achia ama wo nante na ye basa e bi kuro obi ahwo basa wo nante ne nye mesero tu ana ma obra ban so ye peni e beboa wo ama wo nante no atumi yeye unemu abu pen unhu ba bia wodi wani ba kire anope pa bibiduro e na atoa Ghana ha oman na ma yetumi mienu pe ene ye fa so sayare ada se obokwa kofa abrofuduro ana wodi abibiduro ene be sa wo ho yare eno no de e wo wo pe obia ni Ghana ha obetumi asi obi kwan se ememfa bibiduro nsa wo ho yare ye mra pon no e mo obi akwan eti se na wutie me na sa wo kon do se wo pese wo de bibiduro sa wo ho yare de ya me ka kire wo sa wo san ba ho a ukotu usika na ato.
Ene mama nko sidiki ho na duma. Once am a location ne contact no so ebiem.
Okay. Let say location is in Dr. Ankasadi kan yo Enkran Spinters 18 Junction and you see 18 Junction pe taxi for no more no muludu catch me say Okoba Heba Hospital at the Omado Baby PM. Your number is 0244 988 004 0244 988-004. If you have a friend on IBZ, no friend, 0244-083-482. 0244-083-482. So number is in answer SI WhatsApp number. And it is be our friend. That's a number na IBZ. I'll be to my audio na audio atoso. And it's no repemuno. You will be tina yamau ano MY. And it's ya DB at it. No.
It's a hospital. No. 24/7.
Yes, 24/7. Your home abribia. Your home abribia. I think so. Send a doctor kind. Your baby I amount for a man and member editor. And it's be our free actually now over. and I dream who say nkran ha mfa na kwakoda na kumase ukodu a obede no asan wachi akwa ni na no akwenya kese ho edema se na edika kadeda no afenso yesan wo massage unit ho de ma ebia ope massage no nko a eno nso akwenya ho edema both physiotherapy unity and ne aye de ensan kasa na be massage wa ma kwenya se sisi wo enkola no se na last time na meka no se obi wo ya wo no foforo onyi mu no bonse ne dompe no aye den asha se chia anasa ma ne nine aye bolex emu abi bibri anasa bi obi de say IK we nyina no ke ba bi pie mo ba heba hospital aye hwesa na manina edema
okay mo why the dog yenta nya wo de wasem etwato
no kwasem se e mo bibia afrishapa na afia ye womi e yesika afi enti se wotena ho ma yare che wotena se ya wa hawo no kwasam se Ghana ha ye beka ya aban foforo bia ba na sa aban dada bia be start pe osisika na sa
yasem
enti ye be ye politics so ukotodwe ana usisi na wa anyere wo ho ankope sika ni bia nwo 2025 wa hwa ofi wura betu enti ni America akere wo ne se esan se wapomudin hia enti no shia Dr. Ban e was painters 18 Johnson na nkomo bia ne ne ha bia no wo ba no se wa bodam se twere yare se dien yare mesrew ba hospital yare wa biara e betu ase amana yum ko de yankopon nshira wo bia
nshira wo so yada se yada mo ase ana se de se ya wie aka 2 minutes it is say bia yemfa bi ntwa
for emra obedi enya anu yi e oban heba hospital eni nti no ene maintenance ema yade encounter mpema nam se yade e wo so a enya de abetime tu anamo akoba bia o so ko eni nti no hye ne so ba bepiem o yase o na yade bi etete wo ebia na wo de no yentimi anka ho asem e o kasafidi so eni nti wo frɛ number na se ho nkomo bia o ho bia no yetimi ene wadi ana se wesan tutu anamo aba bepiem e oban heba hospital
ba me nka we nso se ban heba hospital yentonro
dabi ni adua yeton ewa bonten ene nti no se na ya candidate no ba ede mfidie no hwehwe ni padie no hu se bia yade sei ene sei na hawa yetimi ehu aduro kra awase yade ma wa ebitimi etu ase ya number ne biom 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 anase 0244 083-482 0244 083-482 yes ba hospital there oba bi pie mu ha onyado wanyina yade ya ebedwane
yami shramo yada se Dr. Ban Sedeki yada mo se papa anti mesro kotodwemu how bia apono so bia de ekoba na omo emu ane nyarwa enkaye Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa fie ene ho mesro wo pe Nokia, Samsung, iPhones, smart TVs ranges from 32 to 55 inches. Yanko Franco Trading Enterprise no more tabletop fridges no so ho and a Franco nankasa won air condition. Mr. Okoko Power DNS Yanko Franco number will be bia we internet bia so. Omo number ni 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and 0555 9393 11 ya wo CCTV cameras and so Franco to be fabo ufie no office baby on bia no nhunu ne ekoso e wo ho Franco Trading Enterprise o still phone papa fie ene ho birthday celebrant mame famfam na afi shanon so shna ye be ye ni nyina so aka ho me ankasa ma de papa bi Mrs. Mary amo akofo Click Foundation nyame shiraw nyame nyo kese kosi se obeye kese pa onshiraw no nyo kese Mrs. Mary amwa kofo happy birthday nko emfa ma wo hene yire gifty auntie so ene wa woda happy birthday enko emfa ma nyame shiraw nyame nyo kese kosi se obeye kese pa birthday celebrant the odasu Mr. Desmond from Pong, happy birthday, Komau. Yami Shao, Yamenyo Kessie, because it's all bear Kesepa, Mouse Ufra Dumo, Enko Adumo. Happy birthday, Enkoma Eunice from Pong. Oba you, Yami Shao, Yamenyo Kessie, Kwesi babie me da sepa na omre ne wadaje masan ababie mfiseme wo Kingdom Herbal for ewa ha. Ye ne won mo eba bedi enkomo. Bedi kan bobo wonu no so dada enti no. Eye kwesi ye bo abase dia na ne ka kire kwesi ye bo a obadia na se ne ye hyemu kena pa. Ye da se. Nti we nyina so shadow so nyame yadoma Sunday wo West Hills Mall. Na ye pawo yen season 6 in Stroma ye pa won ho ntoma nkra na yade omdoso ti ede ya ye select bi nti ye tu yensa from samunyina momra meka ye ho West Hills Mall na Obapa Christy ba na fe kechen mo so aba be di agro e wo ho na fe adadafo an Stroma won ma fa munyina no ze o munyina nyinyini o ze o meba na use voice ne mu aye du nti yen twen nyame yadoma akwase da we ya 3 p.m. wo West Hills Mall na ya pao ye season 6 nsoma mofra no ya pao ho entoma nti ka kire aye crowd e wa ha Kingdom Herbal Center eno ofria wabai be me na ye mo akwaba ye da se papa ye ntie Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules eni nunka ye
senia de bia ye ba Adom TV anapa sei na ye hyase na Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules ene ya ye de hyase na enromienu yi ni na eye adwuma baako enromienu wi Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules no ni na ye adwuma baako obi wo ho no mo a onante kakra na wabre adwuma bi no bedi a bibi kakra bi na wabre wedra any Kingdom Garlic Bitters and afenso no Kingdom Garlic Capsules eno beboa pa me anape bia me ba Adom TV a na mabobo bi kama ewianso me kwa na me de bia to so emre me bedanso a eno a na e medro ntine ema de bia adwumedie bia me di bia no me ho ha metumi eye ne ntem oye pani obi won so akese na waye ntina ma ne nante mu no ne ho nye ha onante kakra se menum bia no obeka se ne moma me transe kakra na menwuma home wedra any Kingdom Garlic Bitters any Kingdom Garlic Capsules eno beboa pa na enromienu yi no ye nom emmum se obenya eye bitters ni bi insuo no na wanom a eno pe eye enkoto eye insuo no ensan to ne topaye no emfa ennom da bi yenye ne saa enti se bia ne topaye no na opese wonom a na wanom eno nko a ne insuo nso na opese wonom a na wanom eno nko a eno beboa pa eye Kingdom Garlic Bitters any Kingdom Garlic Capsules garlic ankasa ene ye aye aduro no na onom aduro na wote lime enso wom enti no se ebi wo honom a waye kese abro so nafu ena ye kese sa opese sparks bi anase opese nka nafu so te wedro any Kingdom Garlic Bitters any Kingdom Garlic Capsules onom aduro na ebeboa pa bomodin ase onsa beka ye nro bi obi nso wo honom a cholesterol anwa ena adore woni nipadua ne mu unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters any Kingdom Garlic Capsules a onunum se nro mienu ibia de mede kirewi enu nie onum bia ebetumi aboa ana ne sasrade na wo nipadua ne mu nyina efrim ama nipadua na etumi nya hoɔden Kingdom Garlic Bitters ne Kingdom Garlic Capsules e boost immune system enti se waye no na kakra bia na yade bia bɔ no unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters ne Kingdom Garlic Capsules a ahoɔden mapa na obenya nti yade bia entumi embo wura nipadua ne mu ema no enka ho ento honom obi wo honom so a broni beka se numbness o wo honom a na ne nsa ye tititi ne nan so aye tititi de ya ye taka ne se ananse acheme no eya en ye nka ne se ya ananse na ache wan hwe ni yi a wo de na ananse ache wo de obeda cells a hwe na da ache wo ko prison oduko prison de stroke ya de no de brew bo modin a se obenya Kingdom Garlic Bitters any Kingdom Garlic Capsules CB ebeboa ama na yi sa de ni nyina every honom se ne ebeya stroke ya de embebo mentwen ema yade no ye stroke ni mbebo wansa wahwe Kingdom ye kira kwan bomodin ase anapa bia ewie bia obenom na onso hu etumi ato garlic eye edro bia etumi boa ema wakoma no eye adwuma kama eye adwuma senia obo ade ebo no a esese eye no a entunya ye nro bia odwumedi a odi ahodo yina betumi aboa eno no na New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules memedro New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules we memedro enti bema utiemi a wedre ni miken bema bi wo hono mokosie ni mo enche na wagemu ye frɛ no 1 minute man awe ho papa o na ma na ye de yensa etrenetren so wedra ni New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules bomodin ase on sabe kan bi sisi ya de na wo so wedra any New Kingdom Ginseng power capsules na oh me wan say me year duro no edi efri mu say na tie kingdom for year duro ni say na tie ne topaye no say na tie na ne topaye bia no say ye garlic bitters so new kingdom ginseng power capsules so tremendous capsules so ni na ya chro kingdom de wo no ato mu no ya chro ho kingdom de wo no akọ mu no ya chro ho kingdom sa ene tie ntu kọ drugstore bia na ye chro ho sa mfi ya so ye mesrew sign fa kọ sanse ye nro ne de be 20 years ni e sha se ye ba ye nro ne amanfo age enya tum enti sesisi ya de na wo so oye driver ni edwuma bia wo ye bia wo gina ho check cameraman bo modin ase onsa beka eye new kingdom ginseng power capsules ni bi ebeboa pa sanso na tremendous capsules ewo honom na no eyema
no mema na ni age
mema na ni age we gina ugina ho chenzo a usisi
bibian entra so problem what na ho bebra wo problem ugina ho bebra so a nti who say from Paul camera or task kakra no we gina ho kakra or manage na ade no to onya
but what dey say obenya
new
kingdom ginseng power capsules
ko ni problem
there be problem bi
enti ande from Paul wasam a owia ene enwie
owia mehia no na meni na di nkobo enti eno no sanso na mental stress na wo so a wedura new kingdom ginseng power capsules
mental stress ndi ewo
mfa
ya so ende amani enti no mo
there be mo
memma
ne die no na tremendous capsules tremendous capsules ye manedro na we madam fo be ma bia ma me hintasem e wo ho enne me de betudwa tremendous capsules ye me manedro oba bi wo ho no mo tenka e wo nase bo modin ase obenya dro bi oba bi so wo ho no ma o de poor candidiasis ya de bi infections ahodo bi e wo no ho bo modin anya tremendous capsules bia e beboa pa na hintasem a madam fo be ma na de ama me e fa tremendous capsules ade bia me ba me se ye ma edro no o se akwesi ubua wenso emema ne nso eboa ye pa o se okọ drugstore bi se okọ akọpe gonorrhea drebi na okoye no no munye bi ma nti omo ma no tremendous capsules bi o se obobo ye no eko o se obobo ye na eko na me se okay me nyi achinje because oba wo gonorrhea ne candidiasis ni ade a eduru ya no no ma ne ko aha nti sai mo na di gonorrhea ba no eno ana abe ono so be mani bi
nti partners
obetumi anum bi nti we de ye medra ankasa de oba de onom a utumi se oba no dimu waye kama na emom no se be man so gonorrhea bi hawa se ne madamfo no edi hu adanse a che me na so wabo modin enye bi na ebetumi abo apa oba bi onom a o friend baako unsan friend bi enye yi nti me ken obi panududu mu atu bomodin ase odi wani be chemu ewo Kimberley Avenue Okaishi eye Draglin Kimberley Avenue Okaishi Draglin Fre Kingdom Herbal Center wo home so 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 ene Kingdom Herbal Center ye homa no ti drugstore bia nso wo man mu anase herbal shop bia nso kwa onsa ebetumi akebi na menko Kingdom Home Real Estate na menfe no nso ento aso Kingdom Home Real Estate ya dan no ya dankra mienu ekopem nsonso na se edi bronya wie ye die bogafo ne baaye no enra ya ye boss ema menya ne ntie mi mo so ahya ase etuetuo mo de na obetumi atua ne kakra de wo ho du bia no o de ba o de beto ase na wetua ne kakra we ejapade ntunya ebeda ho no mo afebo uni ho no kra o ma ebetumi aba betena ho no ye wa wo dia Kingdom Home Real Estate adankra me nu kopem nsonso ye wa abri na afensu ye kropon ho no na ya dan ne nyina ewo na okopie mu ho no ma broni beka se serene environment ho no ye kama se etese nka wo abonten kra etese meti Adom TV ha no sei ekon no ano de mpa mfrema no ejina so ti bomodin ase odi weni bechi mu Kingdom Home Real Estate no abeje ya dan no ebi na CCTV cameras bo ho no
number no
mfa numbers emre na ye yo okay enti no Kingdom Home Real Estate se o pay ya dan ni bia bomodin ase odi weni bechi mu ewo shiashi your home na your office no anase free numbers we 0559 761 144 144 44 anase uwe kropon anase ope kropon numbers ni so a 0555 0555 612 611 611 Kingdom Home Real Estate numbers in so no.
Kache da se papa pantino saye efie na wo pese ye nuro Kingdom aye ni nyina krado de amaya ha ne de enkomo si yenko cafe ba no amame Watma ene MOG aye ready etwaso
Sisters Association ntino say etuni ina no there dayoso za before for the dayoso no say me kan fan person more than so azibi oye very important we part the nipa e wo ho no ma bedrum most of the Sunday all for home at the year so say or so dan pa mommy me a short day na minim bedrum obotum na wa brum amo pepepe nti no bobozunara na so day very necessary papa na zotting there say and the pay you and wa hade ya na e chede mo special guest me channel wa hade in there me guest to know oyaza contemporary gospel singer or son or a songwriter or some so soulful kesepa o Ghana hade na upo no say ye share ya time see me bring mo upo no manya kupon ama hono da on one actually am saying na ya ko chede mpeda chede international one of my represents Ghana on that front now. MOG Nana ya Obuachi and Ozikan the department. You know, say, we shall have the pay the no day, woman welcome back cafe Bano Hade, my using cannot mental there. Juango energy drink, say a pay energy drink, papa. No, or a Juango energy drink on the market there, or energy drink for vitamins, Minara B3, B12, Minara Ashemuma, Tarantino, say a baby is boost to energy contains that. No, share Juango energy drink now for boost to energy, no, or for baby energy level, and I'm crying, no matter Bibia Bassasa, and my mepper there, you give the day, no, a tuna iron, no pepper, the Mara also now. All for whom with the old blood pressure level no nominal. They hear you now 3P garlic mixture, 3P garlic mixture. No, the best garlic mixture in our town. 100% extracts. One from Mukra, Bibian. It's a garlic mixture. Papa, now on 3P garlic mixture in here. Into no, my Canada, my mama, my guest, Akaba. Nanaya, Akaba.
Yeah.
Man of God. The made one who's a real papa or papa. Yeah, the Yankupon Sassi for whole life. There it's Muna Eziano International Quabruchia, Ebo Emojia. Obia nyim emoji wonyum no so tap papa aha my favorite here mala okay majo okay mahabo erade wonkwa niawa yedi obitu mi o mala majo mahabo yesu wonkwa anyum no ho me do ha ma odu kakara abibiriam is a nice song na echonyum
no
what so you receive in your man there how then
ebi will have me receive ebi so have me throw
okay my favorite is a
no I think I received it yeah
okay into now we're here for
no studio so mo studio na I precisely here on the studio na me started the meet TBB or maso te wana me frek here on small boy crew am so buying BB it's also the keyboard man na me started the robot. And also microphone I'm recording just the guide. One of them they develop kaka na yadi bibia.
When you know or come up papa not just that all your songs. I think the one of the songs are on my very popular Ghana had Be Lifted.
That's right.
No so you come up talk mam kakra.
Oh, be lifted above all other gods, we lay your crowns and worship you.
Oh, glorious God,
hey, we
praise your name. We lay your crowns and worship. Oh,
no, I'm Rukutu.
No, yeah, Rukutu. We are available, Papa. Me the words.
That's right.
So maybe so there, and you know, 1 year or 1 man, or like what we see with him another you receive because the lyrics of your song.
That's
wow. Now, you feel home so now. You share about growing up. I'm not sure the secrets. Obeying there, tell my boy.
That's right.
Because takapa, Nancy Apple Mihunde, or the you are giving back.
Yeah.
Now, how is it like growing up or Tema as a boy?
It was fun, you know. Tema baby, I had a small community. Obiani Mubi, so. Baby Anna, you know, we were very connected to each other.
Okay.
And our friend then Obano, in terms of my music career, na Baby Anna, ne foundation in Africa. One our Badwam, one our Somimu, one woman opportunity at the early stages. Was in Tema. The Tema na nyame afadu we page mama. The whole Ghana nyame sign dia ko yasa fani na. Yeah.
Okay. Now, on months, I na started to Nisa.
Yeah.
And you know, because you may be all your life.
Basically, yeah. I mean, all my life, you know, at the early stages, because I'm a midday not attack or chapel, I could meet this study. And you know, all your penal or the alcohol, Timothy, I want to meet the choir for syndrome, prison worship for your rehearsal. And Tim got now a Faban Makota, no me tabia, so that all no man, them desire. Or developing I started in Wujuma.
This is a Bonuma, Nanka Abbas Nepede.
Come a bobo.
Oh, when I say all the pile,
Cabana Moko Divide, I mean, become one young Buffy.
Come on now.
Come on, match about 5 goals.
I kind of be a was a bit I can see you. I got a phone and you bring some.
Easy.
My do for me in actually, but sorry, I can't sorry.
How? But it's a great lesson to all of us, you know, and it's high time there. And Pifuna also honor maybe they're not paying attention to the football department of Ghana. No, they can pay careful attention because Kofu Akuma. Now we be a shame. And 1 hour about bets na dinya, 1 bet wash. So if they critically look at our boy, because this is not the Black Star we know. Wow. It's not the Black Star we knew.
Now, can I ball easy or football experience? Kakwa.
Oh, I know a PS5. Yeah,
remember, I comment on another game. No, say,
Michelle game. No, Ode was having a very good day, so I felt say, the coach no Jan Wom, on a pencil. You know, on my wage name. You know, and I would prefer say the next match Monaka, 1 man they start a whole new game. Okay. You know. Because the guy was already on the field, he knew the people that he was playing with, he understood their game, their play and everything. He knew how to block everybody. That was he was blocking. So actually I changed now here, no normal go by, you know, and unfortunately we are coming back home. You know. Wow. It's very painful.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
I have to be very sincere.
Within a space of 10 minutes, everything turned around.
Head.
Yeah.
Like on your post, like hey, Black Stars. Broken heads, hey.
Oh yes, serious broken heads. Oh yes, serious. But it's a great lesson for us. Yeah, we'll go back to the drawing board. We have World Cup qualification coming up. You know, so GFF no be when Juma year. That's one must can do when him. That's what be year because the hearts of people are being hurt and they are grieving. You know, so what must can do when him. That's what better say year because I do. Kofu bebu jana de obeye adwuma adwabo no obeye adwuma we don't want We don't want money from Black Star. We don't want anything. All we want is that score the goals and make us happy.
Win the matches.
That's all we need.
Win the head care.
That's all we need. But it is well.
What's your problem? Now, even poor can they won't dissolve the team, why you in charge?
Oh no, I don't think so.
Okay.
They just have to make some few changes. Take the bad nuts out. We'll be about wonder what about. Well, it's alleged that some of the players in Waba they pay money to join. You know, if that is true, those things they have to desist from it and take people that can really do the job. No one for you, member Ghana, because where we are going is not good.
Okay, Martin American Yasi. Now, why did this year so? No, sorry, last year. An encounter with Grammys, Hannah?
Yeah, my Grammy. What do you call it?
No membership, Hannah.
So I got accepted into the Grammy as a Grammy Academy member.
No, why then?
So basically, Grammy Academy member, and you are part of the Academy. You can submit your songs to be considered. Okay. And then when the song is considered and you are nominated, you can, either win or be a nominated Grammy artist. Okay. So basically, the Grammy there is on the international level. So once you get a Grammy acceptance or a Grammy nomination, I mean, our artist, it adds to your brand and all that. So on which one you're trying to put Ghana on the map and let people see what Ghana also has to your music.
No, most market congratulations, Anna.
Oh yes, why not? It's not. Yeah,
and I think that one of the things I share for young musicians who come at least closer.
Oh, so far so good. Last year, we consideration. Consideration is when I submit those songs, on my check then they put you on the list for people to vote to be nominated. Okay. And that's the level we got to. We got 3 considerations. Okay. Best new artist, best album of the year, and the third one, So those are the ones we got. But unfortunately, but another year is coming. Yeah. We'll put in the works that we're going to do.
Go you. Yeah. You be making sure they beji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Hannah, one first. They should leave now.
Sharp.
Now, new wine. This year, no year 10th edition.
Anniversary.
10 as in 10 years.
10 years.
I think terrible.
10 years. So new one only 10 years, but yesterday worship programs it's more of a 16 years now. Okay. But when we started the new wine brand, say we've changed the program we're doing into new wine or 10 years by the grace of God. And because over the years, every year after year, God has been faithful, providing for us financially and BBR to me a program. So this year, Adom, new wine is 10 years. We'll be launching it very, 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 very soon. And you get the details. One hour watching Adom TV in CC and we'll bring details. Accra edition and Kumasi edition by the grace of God. And it's going to be a big statement in the Christendom and for the gospel. So we should get ready.
Wow. See, when dates
so the dates respectively is going to be Accra will be 17th March.
Okay.
And
Kumasi will be 24th March. But all the necessary details in press lunch. Okay. So when we do the press lunch, we'll put every information out so that all those who are watching us, when information, more Kumasi, more Akabunya information.
No, the new wine press launch. They be pay us information.
Most definitely.
One hour sharing so when your information be. Now I show be bring.
Thank you.
And the payment to suffer. The HLM or fasting. It's my whole pa.
It is well. Nakafra.
That's my papa today. Ebebet Mahadi. Now, Mamma Cow, the on Soma resan Abba season 6 no Olupu olukuri papa nti no oye Sunday ya oda hene nyime ye be share wo West Hills Mall oho na ba babo unveil mo fama na this year yenwe be see akan won Suma season 6 no mo fama no wonderful meti bi ne voice pa me ye me hye mo fama ne ndafo mo kra nti no yembo mozen de ye be make a date ye be pay mo hono mpo no performances na zo obokojo wo hono Rachel Van Dyke oba be perform abrantie Abrante bo honom season 3 winner no obo Renel Aboaje bo honom oba perform oba pa Christy wo ho oba perform oba pa kwa no excitement nti no ya twakwane keche my brothers no won so we pay mo honom nti no all roads leads to West Hills Mall Sunday na yankwohwe mo fama yes won be see akan won summer season 6 do madase nyame isho bebre de eje egwa na enyen ye nyame adoma ye basan ye hia wo be kofi ampadu ye producer director ama belonzi producer damara na obedo so obomo ha John no driving in ozie ne ba ahade special thanks to cafe bar no a nyame isho bebre de bia wo be hona abo to ho ezema hen nyame adoma atena ma mekene basan ye hia sisi areze mano ato
Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Inna beka. Akwesi insia. Commander 6. Kano seni etie.
Sadabia ye dia okodro, nyamesuro, nipa hondo. Ene som ye man Ghana. Asem yidika brother edu se fa na sekese koma Kingdom Herbal Center. Omne de Kingdom Garlic Bitters. Kingdom Garlic Capsules aba edwaso enachi. New Kingdom Jense Power Capsules ye mema ne dia. Ebo ye pa mema ya se moye mre wo mpem no. Mama ye sem timi wie mu de. Tremendous Capsules no so ye man is ye infio na ye white de nyina de free wonum. Kingdom no de ye no brane abama na aka bombo. To bi oto bi bia tim sapo na maduma dro pa. Ba bi o ma ye to adro bia no. Okwa so be ka bi at 24 ni enchre Kingdom Herbal Center or Kanshi Drug Lane. 0275 804 064 0275 804-064. Kingdom was no challenge. Meaning the accuracy in Sanopetiawa. Now, I think I started 2 weeks ago. Now, I'm for 10 crime. Miami Audo Biasha see so ember. So, fortunately for us, 3 days ago now. Ghana water for the 2 just say, oh, feed in water chima. Na Omugusu ACAC. Somebody catch say Ghana water for specialized pumps na a pump piece especially woman wo Accra West no say ya farm for free German ne babe CC eno ti say e cha enye boapayo efini free em sa fe na German for no nyame aduma babedro ye o two options either say ye de pumps no be ko Germany no makwa ko CC ana say ye be soa omo be CC no e de free Germany aba ye man emuno maba be sisi sa na te nye ne start at no free tete sa up to the tete Ghana ne bia and according to Ghana water no adwumako bie ni Ghana obetimi asiesie sa omo pump no anu na nchen ade asese ha Ghana water ewo ensuo treatment ho galamse omo ka efisa agono mu edie. About 3 years ago, and a Ghana Water Company Limited, a boss say, the way a galamse eki de corner. And she bedroom may be ensure ye benum a bayer day dia maye. 2022, Umba out the kind of same things had a chile. And ye 20 in din. Because no more cano, enya ememu. On say and nebem yen who I was also. Ye pimpe ko no no baby o se bedu no ye pimpe ko quick no mami chiro nsem bia menim komo a acting managing director de ma Ghana Water ADS mo de tuja hwa de hwa TV ne so ne tie semu a acting MD de ma Ghana Water Company Limited e kan de fa o hawa o mu go through asajimako
no kase me no break it down.
Pumps for the supply Accra West.
Me no break it down. No kase Accra West for ensuon emma said there was eba no because weja na a supply Accra West no your plants a supply Accra West no me no kase pumps no e for your back on standby.
Okay.
Me no kase me no break it down.
Pumps for the supply Accra West.
Me no break it down. Now no we are working on only 2 pumps.
No more repair.
The amount of money to repair these pumps, and it will interest you to know the technology, and now we don't have in Ghana here. We don't have a company a yes pump.
How?
I am telling you,
sir. Yes. Ghana water for and pipe ne want teach manu. You need technocrat.
And pipe.
Okay.
These are pumps, specialized pumps.
Pumping is one.
Yes.
You need technicians here. Ebe much more Ghana. It just says somebody.
1, 2 options. Either say you're the partner of Germany, okay, and answer we invite the engineers from Germany to come and repair them.
After
that is the challenge we face. Until the amount of money to repair these pumps, and people in Accra West will attest, and they ensure why, and we are committed, say, you better resolve the problem, before December. It
looks as if I'm afford to be in even 5 days in a week.
5 days we cannot get. Now it comes back to issue of, you see, baby, and I'll give you an example. They say Western region. We don't have we don't have enough water to abstract and treat.
80 tape no or number 12 amount. Otie or say baby to say Western region. And so kure be so a supply amount for this support when you bianum crano and nebini because the galam say I say no. Yet the galam say I say no. It's an me di who yaw say party for be show on penny for be a cheap. One more there be a soon as so run. It's 1 minute. See and shiny ye. Penina ye do much a yodom no. And so Baba ye do be no more. None of us is Yamano ye day. What's the message show with me for Ghana water for Fidia, a sunny and sunny so. A bit is a starch. Near Galamsena yen sooner, almost on this no. A but is a starch. What's the message show? And soon send ye essay. And fear bimu or musuo is an any party. Where you saw your booning cry you, and you saw your booning galam say a region and cry as I'm making. Metro be and so the pipe ya wobu send any tear. You can't galam say some of me did ya grono. Munche and yen ronum. A do pencils and sue benomaya dindia maya, maybe Saturday me a reason ye. I'm fine here. What's time private to us? O my cobras and travel your fire crado. I don't come here. It was your father second come Kingdom Herbal Center. Already Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules. New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules and free. Tremendous capsules ever so yes. O my call dear.
Question I'm not going to be able to say, Adia Wakofaba na Menika. It's not even just a matter of the illegal mining business. As on mine, Debia Dameka, we've looked on helplessly and carelessly. But acting MD no. The response of the buyer, I'm not convinced. They say no, almost have a catcher say, and crying nipa woman abro or mahu so as Ghana Water Company Limited. There were a lot of issues I bet me had discussed there, but a Crobiano, ECG for Crano, or Munim say. Brano kunte buba nyinama hoden kan ya dodo ombe hia e brano and they so be sini dan yemfa fire for yemfa special planning for yemfa EPA ho pam no apeja dynasty ho omfa ECG ni Ghana water ho, but that is not an enough excuse to say because timiti era acting MD no almost akasa I'm worried. I'm not disappointed because there is still hope, but I'm worried that special pumps too, no matter how special it is. And obviously, I say now, KNUST for Omokra in Timia, because does it mean we don't plan ahead of time? That's the question. And I need to pay mind so munti because Ghana water repeatedly or my catcher say, "En chebia se say akwanya ye be krensu." Enti ye duru oba. Ti en koso ne ni say ya ni nru edu ho a oni nyina ebe hu sampa ona ne kua. E ho ne ye du no. So me da say I'll be looking forward for that conversation tomorrow. Me da say quickly about back hanum pense ne de bro yenka ye maame amkransi say nyame ya adoma ne 1 week celebration no ebekọ on the 9th of February 2024 8 a.m. copim 6 p.m. Was 2nd Lincoln Street Abelempe eho ana sajumedi because ye maame ama buzia na wotweda no atade ne tuntum sanso na meka o se osahene boachi jan onyame ya adoma burial service radiator safre no the yi ne hyehyɛ ne bekoso of forecourt state house January ne de toso aduonu ensia the forecourt of state house adopa ne ensia pepe na afi ya pen crabia military cemetery Bema camp enkra ya na enase som no so na to aso oye atade tuntum ane e behye na maka wo so se ya nkasa ye designer J-Ray ono so ne papa da from ye kasa ewo Winiba na wotweda no it's unfortunate say maybe we di enim kind ama mo fanchem sa it's part of life. Transport Minister Kwakwesi ama so nuaba eda from na yi ne nyame adma the 3rd of February and also yaba beta wachi ama bia ti makokama but yaba back to studio yakacho this is your election headquarters Kokomoti Power say the dane there now only ye no is a countdown to MPP4 primaries I dey bremo no parliamentary primaries no and I shall say that all our networks and platforms and they start to also hand say me say me so your most reliable and authentic source in terms of delivery in terms of what really is the news I know your multimedia platforms Insura FM Joy FM Love FM Adom FM Adom TV Joy News and all our onlines. I crowd I standby. It's a Saturday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now the Akoso, the New Patriotic Party, Amanyuko no primaries, no parliamentary primaries, no Edibebro. Interesting parents and interesting calculations and interesting issues never hotspots you know so potential losers across the nation you know better at the amount and one of the areas that fiercely being contested in Saoma Dojiri. And we're happy to have Unipa and also Jinamo Hobby on the incumbent, you know, Inuya, Oya Whip, Oya Whip,
Majority
Whip,
Frank Anodom.
Yeah, Frank Anodom, Majority Chief Whip. But all the men who said, me very excited because fortunately, but they said the whole qua will be a new Siakai. Into the Oberhumi, because that's a real quiet project. Is quite the delegates need to understand that as you feel ye and will be food your partner, ye piano precope. Into crowd the uncommon home so. Now, me will be doing common.
Oh, home, me chief whip there. Oh, home, you parliament. And you know. Not taking anything away from my brother, Sian. My wife is Madam for power.
Oh, wow.
Yes, yeah, Madam. She's worked for a very long time at the party headquarters. Now, Domfre was my mate at the law school.
And the men came to cry. And you know the judge,
I'm chief whip. Domfre Domfre for penny.
Wow, but you are in the news. A very quiet guy. Now be back, come on. Who free constituency?
In some advertisement, you could be a friend at Damai Rasi. Hona Matna, my project or Honina, maybe a man so Honoma, a polling station executive, Mabuabua Bibri, and tea, a miracle competition by Ina, a delegate or so a bedam say, or more should we are constituency in echo. Any votes, the way are yint me and the way was a quay not just was see a new face because we have MP also have 3 terms. The 4th term no okay. Now we have a vote margin 2020. A card and this is almost 3,000 yet almost 3,000 vote margin. Now so 2016 to 2020 NDC to me accumulated over 12,000 new votes at the car, almost 2016 votes. Yeah, 7,000 pay. Now NDC was selected the same candidate no more money at 12,000. Now say another 4 years back on Brent ya juma. Obetimi ya say more crack on. Yeah MPP. No ma yeah my vote na ntimi anko nani. Yeah nsesa no. Oba constituency office ya rent. Ebi okra rent kra yentimi ntwia na chairman na opeska e dia akotwia. Constituency ni car, ni party car kra constituency wa.
Isewum adwaje.
Isewum adwaje. Ye ni constituency car. Ya yebetimi dia akọ round kra e dia ye adwuma aboa party. Eti ohwe no ma ekoso ni intimidation ni delegate old executive yen kan ye hu mum enye adwuma. Eti 2020 yen delegate preaching skirt and blouse. In
2020.
Yes. Eti presidential vote we did so well. But parliamentary no. Because ye primaries no. And Kamboma was a Kosoma party nisi boom. Na yetimi call electoral area because on say 2020 no. Omoya primaries year 2 no electoral area by electoral area. It we MP uhu baby olusu ye. MP utumu baby olusu ye ha. It wo say ha melusu inti hokra 2020 come ma campaign. Yes. And heti ye ma ye vote so call form. Sisi am no ka say bibi kakra bi kra na ye be chairman delegates nyina nya bia. Na ye yi bi afrim. Eti manfo ye very bitter. Eti ye ayen call no. Say ye nya obi a oba obetimi akan ya bom. Na onye yimu a the same pattern na e see 2020 no. Wa hwe ni ya yanka say NC, but ya hwe ni ya na ko repeat no.
I see.
Eti na mass say obi ate say here for the unity wo ho.
Here for Siam.
Here for Siam.
Now we adwuma we.
Me chief executive for Ghana Library Authority.
Oh, okay. Ghana Library Authority. Yes. Bibi akwa kama wo.
Nyame adom. We hear a babem na library say Ghana is 61 pay. He take you over on the 8th of January 2018. And now me know ka say the libraries are free 61 akosi 127 e Ghana. Which library so ye dwumaku a Ghana over 70-year-old.
What the free say ko say
61 to 127
MPP
abai. So and our books are now Ghana nyina atama ye take you over. Na 349,000. And now me know ka say over 1.5 million books our shelves so Ghana. Ye buy here na untimi mfa phone access books and kenkan. Say Ghana library you need digital presence. And now me know ka say your digital library. Ya che so bia timi download app egu ne phone so no register no abenya library card number. Instantly utimi log in. Na watimi ayi den read the books so internet so and no phone so.
So there na why wo MPP mu a ultimu say we dey me so my ye bi pen pa just say because obi be ka say na ofiri hin e buy na he for na ofiri buy.
Okay. The woman say MPP the media ye wo metu. Na Nyankopon da Roma ya nwa wini 2016 na 2017 December na my appointment and me assume work in January 2018. Na MPP mo say me a national party patron. Ya chess me so me oma every month bia ye contribute to sika the boa party. Into at the national level sa dwumadi na media ana tamana honorable Charles Oredu or director for external affairs na me so me can be am boa that unit because I hold na my wife adwuma. Into at the regional level so regional so ye program bia na invite me me so me kakrawa me want me the support to region. At the constituency level, my support to polling station for electoral area coordinators, any constituency, Jumedi Bebre. 2020, I'm a campaign team member for Nsawama Dwejiri constituency. We had my electoral baby, I'm based in a hole, and I'm in charge of it on the day of election. I'm a call around DJ Pink Sheet in the coalition center. It's more constituency or the omuni me bobre party chairman be di ho adanse party rent 2022 me na me man is card ko party office rent.
Why wouldn't you continue in that role now person we a member of parliament? Do you understand the job?
Me brapeni the woman say ye wo no ma mienu ntia me person me contest Number 1 MPP Bobre Nsahama Dwejiri. And number 2 development of Nsahama Dwejiri constituency. MPP Nsahama Dwejiri. Se me tra na Nyankopon fasamba NDC for beji seat na me CU na minim sanka nyanko anka metimi miti ebia be contest etimi wini a anka ebia metimi accumulate more vote for the party metimi dim CU metimi atena ho say me chief executive but me ntimi ntena ho say me party performance in the constituency I will take the risk na maba contest all in the name say because 2024 election na yentimi emfen diagro say me will vision and ideas be bring me person betimi e dey mobilize enough vote for the constituency o hey a polling station system na here wona wo chairman secretary youth organizer women organizer omo functions and no was say omo di akade e wo so omo nya e dey adwuma o constituency omo nya and just today what we say polling station executive be say you election year when your budget kura say onko house to house da kura na oso ohun ade kura friend sada training here was here the man no obi betimi dia ye adwuma no wanya message na okwa o de be convince obi ama na to abaman ye nye training ma omo etime hwe sa gaps here exist na me so betimi a sacrifice me ho some baby adwuma me ye tiameka and so me ba believe to go and work and when himself we MP so the demand on you from the constituency but me ntra ma me trimu nya me de se me see you I was say me ba e form na me be som it is hard na me hu say your party ni hia o constituency enu nti na me dey me ba
okay see am say about so nti as you sit many era Sylvester ni nyam for me din komo no baby awote obetima kire yen esinto a ewo mpeso anu so ni adehye wo sa mpeso anu so no I'll come back to you with that conversation but Sylvester let me first me ndawase na because me ndawase because of I personally know what you've put into and they what me actually regional minister and road minister any other dignitaries abaho na okwanya na o say all over a 4-year term you really want to achieve that a year feat no you've done well you really lobbied spent a lot of time and energy na me that was executives in Swasi because the executives so abo chidoma it will be difficult for you to go that mile finally it's my wish say omobe stamp wo by endorsing you to stand in their stead again and represent the constituency in parliament because personally me and Sokrano made the mano ebe two in terms of acquiring one sem say papa na me offer ntimi so me consider say I do fear and also oye I know it's been tough but I think that delegates Madaroma more hwe ni nyuma pa na efforts awaye in the midst of all the challenges in show talk now here mobo the dry season me pe go by now nkaka so honum na you know chi ya mo the so Afishapa I am hoping Saturday you will be wearing your white to the glory of Ghana because you are an asset for Ghana and your party and your constituency and your family intima seminar ma constituency boko
o ma hene me da se ma me ma ahwefo nyina achi na one mutie wa ba fo kontipo nyina so me o machi me nchia menu aketwa Hayford siao na I no pay come with the old match tight corner because it was there boko o ma hene me da twedi ampo ase na mada o mampani ni na bedi akire me da o mo ase sonko na afei mi amira me wofa Amakwata one day we'll talk about the legacy of Amakwata in the road sector be ya disuadie kese ama echirema ombenya kwenya so munsum ewo that capacity and indeed he's not an engineer but the appreciation of a juma a work from here ewo Ghana akwantimpon so no edutwem and I think say waboa me papa ye me mpeso aso yanya ye fair share of roads enra baby na ye dempa 2 years ago in so toye far nipa mienu the last time me ye ni construction wo ho oko ma me 30 minutes say we share one side na me free ho you we here the 4 hours e wo constituency mo ho na that 4 hours na e di no culminated into 33.6 kilometers of roads new roads are were approved is that I was here constituency and na me no ka say etiefo ne ahwefo obi a wafa KFC West Hills Mall echi eko Botiano I friend na Jasco obi ehu adwuma ye wo ho enra me ne ukasa yi Babadogo adanseman ene otinto New Botiano atwa ahomamu a ehon so tibamufo e wo ho enra enije edi receive here sa huge drain na nsuo to ana edi nipa nkwa eye we no edi esi akan no ene me ne ukasa no pay contractors wo ho a woni ye adwuma out of that 33.6 kilometers no old barrier to Kokrobite and also minim say contractor we are almost done with documentation contractors be fa sa kwan no a start ya ho adwuma na other places so a mia madam for contractor back on so yama ni bia enche eto aba we bia ono so be si form ho na ba ba ye adwuma o ma hene de bia me ka che tibamufo se me asem na hye bidwani akwan honsem titru yade a e wo se me lobby na me advocate road minister manfa number ho a ohun yewra asesu buache minister for works and housing me de no constituency ho ono so call ye wakwa ko hu storm drain kese baby last ye tena wakwan no ho a ye yes program no wo hwe tetegu eba storm drain na oye wo ho enya deketwa afei so anwea na nsio to edribi kwan no wo mo aye nhyehyɛ ya wo mo be trape no more rehabilitate said the bear in to it should return only water but not the silt na ebe descending ono so waye ho adwuma edu echire pa asenso buache waye adwuma ono so me bona baso because enche to aba we wi a in the office a frame say friends a contract document is almost done am ba be yes we no afenso ya ye hihye ya nya excavator for continuous dredging and road regional minister eka me there's a pool I call RCC on request. Okay, me say you had we here be 2. Now we call baby to say Dairos a war a man from all the way down to Iron City. I was here draining a dredgy a hono. Yes, said the buyer in show to a bet to me a femo anti-before I were hono on being how so my name me a juma my year and I make it. Nanyamin in Shankan me say Ubi on me contest election, Ubi and Yaku could drunk or jam baby can say MP money homode and do be to me because to me every community in 3 years me wo me nsa no adwuma o mind say astrotef and astrotef community center na community center maternity ward and maternity ward afi secondary school me ba one of the project I'm so proud of as a member of parliament from old barrier na unam aplaku unam Botiano Kokrobite Oshiye that whole stretch coastal stretch. There's no secondary school. A housing population gupa. Michelle Obo boss and Yami Maduma. I'm making sure that I improve education in that community. And by so doing, I'm making sure that I secondary school. And now I know say secondary school has been built in Botiano. Yamin Chadia by September. Yeah, admission this year, next way. Yabanyam Kwala on Beko Botiano Secondary School. Sure. I'm so proud of a Juma me and my team. Anyway. Nipa contesting me in my constituency. Maybe I can't me delegate. So be who say omo baako aye MPP adwuma da. E wo constituency ho. Wa boku kudu da. Wa aye MPP adwuma bi da. Oni nsi abontin. Me throw challenge wo baby kra say so be who so be akọ general meeting, party meeting kra da. O meji 10,000. There's no evidence to that effect. Enti Mr. Me delegate and I know say nyame ncha de utie kire a amanfo eye omufe. Ba usimwa and now be say agrono enye better but adwuma ye na me no ka say call langba now say on the 1st of January me call watch night me by 31st night e be do fe be 3 me name me Crawford na say ama adeche manda na me call langba udu langba school na ye mama even skin rashes egu nkwala on the 1st na me do ho the next day e dey assemble form and the 3-unit classroom block to ease the congestion in the school. These are things that mahene me to me lead na me boa na eba e hye me nkran e hye away ade a me di si mani so pa ye get fund project ya abandon or constituency from President Kufuor's time up to ne it was certain communities that get fund project I abandoned but they can get fund for ba be take stock of all these projects omo abandon a bit from President Kufuor President na Ayoko Botwe MP wo ho obe ko Chukome wo ko Galilea wo ko Kuwait a friend is a brigade. All these projects, we call Tuba, Sisia, we call man from all these projects, get fund for ya omo ntumi nwi I see baby crowd there omo wie school no ma contract anatum aka payment me die kira Emma community no get fund for be take stock ni na wo me regional director number afeso me ni menua kwankyerɛ for penny oda ho me na di nkomo afia ya remu there hwɛ say all those schools no you be complete ama woni hand over for education in that area. Library me no ka say Botiano DA school maybe a secondary school yesi wo osisi ano. There's a library project that through the first lady yesi wo ho a ene nkwala suamu ade nti o ma hene de eye problem eye roads and obia nso di ho dance here say me buy ye attack road project kese maybe anasa mo ajan etie wo people no so ho nsuo to ana the whole Ghana media for nyina ba ho ene ya gu sa akwan no so menim say baby a enru ho do woni nya me mu gidie no mo nya MPP mu gidie say baby a ye kan nyina ye baby ana ye nuano mo NDC for wa abemo it was west ba nyame adom akufo ado ni na ban bae ya to anamompa ye hu changes e your road network.
Okay, so afei no abeka me ho a nemnyamfo Sian Hayford or press adehia wonwo nsema do agiri on bete na se na omama no sa tumi no no asa sere biem se national elections on besa tenase na mode Nera Emrashe bedwam. So make us this is the incumbent Matthew Sylvester Tete onu ne gine muma Botiano English and amanfo impeswa no so enti make us say the biggest cry every platform that is being on multimedia platforms Joy FM News File Asempa Ekosi saying Adom TV Adom FM the biggest challenge was say SSS na kwan won the constituency no aban pay attention to the road minister. Another biggest issue was baby awaka asamoja mfie no say insuo to edwiria begu kaswa kwan ne mu amofasa kwaso na afia da na one way ti on free central region eba on free greater Accra ko nyina issue kwan baako and rather it was a big sigh of relief because anamontu asha say sa no man bit ba yanko the election proper na me sambra me nua here for so yanko election proper me delegates near saying
Omahine delegate save those who are no more. I mean for currency no be our two kwan person. Delegate is about 1,164. Yeah, but if you money the idea, so we are counting about 1,155 delegate into your mind enough enough 1,200 the whole camp approximately 1,000. And yet numbers are that form. But Omahini, yeni atna, and I've gone through the process. My call primaries pay. My din kunim akoso ababe yem rashe bidweni me sansu ekobium. In fact, delegate accounting for my stewardship for the last 3 years. Apart from say me share me delegate, Omahini, I'm on record. Afibia not less than 2,000 timemo for vulnerable. Ekunafo, the aged. Ghetto boys or more vulnerable in our society. This year, apart from taking care of my delegates, over 2,000. They call sorry to identify the vulnerable and support them. And I keep doing that almost every year. And I've done that from 2018 to date. So it's not new for me. Now, politics now, no. Obi wo or denisa ba beso. Opese me kubi. Anye ya mana campaign no etie gina or self-twitwa na nto skirt and blouse. And now I'm alarmed by the media can say some people have been identified as a party for more years skirt and blouse. No matter how bitter you are. And then skirt and blouse no more year, it's being used against the member of parliament. It is more dangerous. Because then you're a party back. Who come and see we are. Support your brother. Now who party nipa na me ebi to me. The last elections, ya call akoye house to house. Na nipa ni call house to house no we see wechi. No akoka che say penny we say enye ho na so mutufa na ebi wechi keke. It was worse. And then say nipa no use resource no aboa na yenya no say we vote so tie. Forgot is no or no see a corporate. More dangerous.
I get your point.
So when people begin to attack MP say vote Swatia, ask them their contribution for the vote next Swatino. I'm not saying so because my brother has shown on also Boa constituency, or Madam for me, don't pray. In Parliament today, one of the things that Mimi Nyaya is my brother. We are losing a lot of senior people. Che is not coming back to Parliament. Kennedy Japon is not coming. Atachia is not coming. Jogate is not coming. All the senior people.
Joe Wise
is not coming. Adabo is not coming, Sule Sanid is not coming, Tepa. I mean, a lot of them, 22 of them are not coming. And if you are not careful, not our front, who had acquired experience over time, they are under siege, they may affect you now.
But if the front is also weak,
it is important that
it
is also important that your constituency must bring you.
Yeah.
And yet, me and Miti Hai, na met me and said me do
but if your
campaign, you know, people can wish me well. But at the end of the day, one year more constituency, you know, and they know what it is.
Okay.
But sometimes, say, actors, no, the leading members of Wenu, in some places I've seen people who have realized that, well, if you support here, it will be a benefit for all of us as a party. But in a nutshell, it is the constituents who will return you back to parliament or otherwise.
Okay.
But media.
Me do one dance is not for non-performance. Let me assure you on that. You have performed as a member of parliament. You have been with them. Your levels of accessibility, humility, extremely appreciable. In fact, that's not my issue. Perform for your constituents and for Ghana to have a feel of who you are. And you've demonstrated both in all sincerity. I look at the more Ghana factor first. I'm the constituents enjoy. And that's what you've done. You've sacrificed reasonable percentage of your time for Ghana and for your constituents. It is only fair. So once you are seeking for another term, but all shift to free qualities we want there. You buy a corner pepper, and that's the Ghana needs you. You need Ghana too. You're also a leader everywhere you find yourself, whether journalist, whether trader, trade union, congress, or whether parliament or whatever. In fact, she would say, "Okwa obi en who bit my bisi one," and you're the correct. You know, so no obi an kwa sen ka so amba. But all bo homodin there, except for to see a piano. They will ebinum to do baby a. Na afi dia afi kwa de em se omo nya te se a year ometu. You know why? It's service to humanity. And obi tell me di no dance here no. Ti uba na uba ya o se me no na di agra 20 years ni. Na still here on skirmishes trem ya. Me so me skirmishes. Na yina ya Ghana factor na I winner all the time. That's key. Ti yina infantry team go bi enu a okoi na yenye obi nhye na na ma no ntimi nya dey say oye. You might suffer some year, but still it will move on. You know, that's how we are supposed to live. Intimate money pay by God. You know, now for you guys constituents with you are God. We are God. So Yanti said to go be no but no so nchire say. Also no over here all them just say oh them just obi an brother mi shira no. Yes. The here no aka no. Says Oko Lusu and I says Oko Winia and fa division Emma Koya skirt and blouse. There are political parties in our budget. Maybe out identify me in some advantage for it you. This is the constituency, not your delegates. Omu tiu say baby what na chesa wa sumomono. Sin to ben the constituency you wish that it had been you to use your effort and your networking maybe to fill those gaps. Constituency challenge ben
Number one issue here once Samad Reggie and Masema Mabuno. Last census, no, Samad Reggie 150,000 people and at one. Juma see a woha nipa bebre nima a blue skies and employ nipa bebre. Mijidi say as a constituency and municipality, no, ye be kaboom. Na yetimia create awareness about the investment opportunities at one Samad Reggie. Said ye be ya betimi attract industry into Samad Reggie. Na ometimi abe set up omo business said ye be ya yebetimi agya enuma ama ye bambu no enti mani swade hunu ba ko ne say metimi ne ye municipality no ya timi branding Samad Reggie as a preferred business destination in Ghana na me chirichiri mu wo hwe Samad Reggie ba bia ye locate a ye nye part of Greater Accra, ye part of Eastern region ana ye closer to Accra, ye closer to Koforidua enti emaye advantage say business etimi be set up e won Samad Reggie or more access to Greater Accra market at the same time or access to Eastern regional market. And now what we say Ghana ha ye mramu no say we set up business outside Greater Accra so or tax incentives but ya na ye ntimi promote sa ade no entimi ma industry no entiase ma omo me locate wo yo o industry say wo Accra and no he nsasesem ho issues say wo Accra o ban Samad Reggie entisa ana business bia no se okolocate o bia a ohwe ensasesem ho litigation manson sem ansa no wa de wa set up in business ensama drogi constituency ho no ye ba bia ubetimi really to promote ho said you be attracting because ho ensasesem ho manson no ye den e wo fo etimi gidi say yetimi raise these pillars na yetimi promote nsama drogi pa yi a ebetimi ama investors bebree abesete am business o emmabu na on nsama drogi e be den ebenya enwuma aye because say we run nsama drogi obi a hope ne say obenya adwuma blue skies
omo highest you know
say no na ye industry as I employ
blue
almost,
skies
yes and employ almost all the youth na ade ba ko ne say blue skies na ho they need a lot of raw materials omo here fruit no to process normal on my export unfortunately ya won sase won sama drogi but because of say ye ntimi promote e ho ne ye ntino enkofo ntimi inform sika mewura farming nim e mo produce and supply
ready produce enough fruit
yes
yes so sase da way
yes so sase da way it is say yetimi e promote e branding sama drogi as an attractive place for farming activities a obreko nim so already marketer ubehu nipa dodo a ebeba abeje nsase ayemfuo ya emabunu benye adwuma aye wo mfuo nim a wonim se wo produce pineapple already no
market no
yeah say me no ka say blue sky omo import from all over even including Cote d'Ivoire as
blue sky
yes hey. So it's a deliberate effort to say you betimi create this industry you be attracting investment no matimi go into farming produce to supply the factory this is Aztec say
Aztec never
yes it's a good and so there we have a huge problem. You have a huge problem. It's mempai bono say nyankopon bo na nyakwanya. Ye betimi I have an investment promotion unit e assembly. Yeah, ye betimi de omo wonim de I dey awo. Said there be various opportunities are e wo ho no. Ye betimi a promote to attract investors into the country. Mm-hmm. Another pillar of growth. Yeah, me this ye betimi a exploit on. I'm gonna benefit the young people and they say once the Philippines and a lot of other countries omo ride on sister relationship it mean more export to labor to other countries ekoye enwuma na omo nya enwuma omo repatriate omo sika e de abo omo kuruma beto omo fie abesu omo dan e de ahwe omo busuafo me gidi se emredu say ye mabunu ye produce so many graduates from senior high school so many graduates from universities now so ye need enough industry to absorb omo nyina meanwhile so nkro bebre so fight so omo pe skilled labor and I say unskilled labor cry then amoma training omo amoma ye adwuma omo me gidi say yetimi a position in sama drogi very well now it me establish making use of our existing sister city relationship any new created sister city relationship you betimi a create a pipeline bia you betimi dia boy ye mabunu ni bia omo pese omo su ekwa no ekoye adwuma na omo di omo sika behwe omo busuafo Mijidi said that partnership you betimi create with the support of Ministry of Foreign Affairs and our embassies said ye be legal migration ye ko na Libya desert so mabunu ni bebre omo dwane ekọ fa Libya no mai den omako ko ye communities ni bia we say ofiri ko Libya ba nche enti Mijidi say was say yetimi a position ye ho na yetimi boa mabunu in all of these directions because enyumasem is the number one priority back constituency.
Okay, so here for Semester about since one of a potential member of parliament to represent their interest my main car say ebe crossover in Chebia Mula epe Mula say non kro shebra sesa busa soft kwachi Piero do mi unu pepepe o shebra besesa sa sesa busa osmosis of chief ba sa sesa pe okono nsia ebe sesa and sesa dia no say from pomfie problem ho the next day will be Timmy Akwama Nasama. But I make us ultimate remedial school, Koso Kyle say, Aquenya can say, Pada, Wako Charles, and a Bakum, you be seen to Abaho. On Bebois, Massa Sinton, Ona Shimukina. Tina One Kyle say, what wrong servants is seen to be about one. Bomodiana Furniture Ultimate Remedial School, now, one intimate more, now, sir, but back to lane him, no more addition and cotorti, and lady and you cuckoo for him. Cuckoo for a near party. Addition so ehun hia kese pii Fre 0244696911 and 0207891004. Na wetimi ne won edin kita ho. So ohwe me cameraman ba kwa say openante ne Kingdom garlic bitters no. E ma netimi na nteche nkagdi kra. Hwe na beti na hwe ne nentu na hwe ne nipedua na. Timi say achi anwane nyine frimu. Why say barry? You know, say or born homo den bra or born Kingdom garlic. No kono ba no the capsules no one. We are not the ginseng. As I see a chiraman and New Kingdom ginseng power capsules. Oni ni wie sa dia dey no so aduane so dia as be ye no ni nyina ni pediana na all building more amna nya hoden strong kokra Kingdom garlic adaroba the bitters and the capsules and afik New Kingdom ginseng power so boa tremendous capsules so e may nwa ma no so no ma ho sisi no edimu wie pay your prekope ti open do na nkasa de odi kire okanshi drug lane na afei watimi afre won so wa 053 614 9961 and 030-393-9987. A phase one the estate in Swaba, a Kingdom Home Estate. One of them Ebri and a Latter Junction. Every one by Ebri girls who na Latter Junction so be who one. And she say and they say ultimate your home dunum and I do so crana 50 or 70% of if you any car. Now if you feel me not toward the amount. No what you break interest be anyhow. No trying to crack at their mom. The amount also down so crying said, dear Fracania, quite ensue a fair posy for that a jow could be, and your man, baby, I was sitting on one harrow, Nasayam Ramano, and Nona Kingdom Home Estate. I saw sharing in a kama a day amount. A fay none a crack body tree, any JBD I can see near any idea toothpaste, and your chimney answer, your own quadradiano. And ye odie ebusuan nyina betime yusu and ye odie ya yiri ye ho na afie so eno so nso betime yusu bi ti kan hu say ye the Kel charcoal toothpaste no and ye Kel kit toothpaste no and ye Kel 360 toothpaste no ti kan hu say okodwa so na ya pause nko na akopa chira kwan dia na say ye Kel brands no and say okopa chira kwan all Sylvester baby out no ye be ko akomula akopa isikaba by a bar, Sikanyani Ninemuno. I also try say what try first phase. The next phase is that Ubeshia 2025 in Parliament, Jamia Waduma. Dear Ubesa aye, Ewasa aye impersonal so Edawa Commercial. Yakwaba, Yaba, Yabetras and Commercial. We are counting down to the new Patriotic Party parliamentary primaries about Baso. Oyamia Aduma Memendawe. And just like I've told you, your election headquarters, Kokromoti Power, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday. Join us. Chero say ye and ye akendi for eba Ghana ya batwo ehon sema. Nti onu ye enhwimbo me frisa bria kopem say ye bekinka ban be memenda. We're here Botiano English Amanfo constituency no. The incumbent member of parliament also to Asujame Adoma ono ewa no say area Matthew Sylvester Tete. Sanso na the also press obegina nsɛm adoagire MPP amanyuko na name na omasa atoro so abako rama se bedwem no Hayford Sian enso ewa no say ye wo minute be edu say betim de arapo up afrefo be 9 will be okay 0302 211701 equals 4 0302 211701 equals 4. It's your place, no humility. It's like it's no contest. They are benyina fa in some adwejiri on my personal phone. So I don't want to be reading the messages because there's too much tension in that constituency. So I'm being careful.
I hope so.
There's too much tension.
They will bring
even with the messages, tense messages.
I hope so. The bomb is a beba form. A contest a friendly contest. Sabi, don't pray ni sian. Obi ani so ade hu say we continue to hold the seat and break the 8. We are supporter. You don't break ourselves before that contest. It's omunya botre. Because at the end of the day, by 4 o'clock, na hu dey we win. Then we all come back to factory reset. Eba be ye juma. Niama yakika fa yampenimfo ho ana in the run up to campaign. It is what the NDC will largely base their campaign on and take advantage.
Okay, so as you move into Parliament, God willing, What is your next line? Phase 1, where we phase 2, no get an episode of the brain.
Phase 2.
My main car for senior for 0302 211 Phase 2.
Phase 2, Omahene, may continue on the advocacy for road infrastructure, our constituency. Now, I go into industry. My year, Boshebi, and I made this one, sana, me term with the back. Say BNA artisanal platform, and the better one, the online. Say, Obi or ye BB, or the inside BB, or constituency. It be go internet, so I'm the ama omo. My year, all the way, me were IT guys on my year, me launch it, by middle of the year. Now, phase so, me pe baby, a be permanent grounds for exhibition. Sunday market, only. Say, Nipan 2 car, Emma Bubushi, Emma Yewe. Maybe I say 3 days or 3 days, no more ye trade exhibition. Now, Obi Meton idea. Maybe I will add the autumn of fear, Nipa be bringing fear. Say once a month or once every 3 months, no. But criticize platform number, Nipa. Timemu for Nipa go up a bray. Now come and exhibit is an MP's fair. I any constituents, no, but we go so a baby in my second term. Now we'll go more into trade and industry. I'm at me and bois. Ankran in human they already. As a board chairman of the Ghana Enterprises Agency, my leading microphone grant ni business support or mojuma. I need to continue in that strive. And again, basic schools are work communities or no. Baby they walk so many kilometers and some of more access to school. Baby to say atia good ambition area hono we need the basic school. And akwasa we call baby a population gupa. There's no public basic school. Me bompai as I say, also me boa mo no mo nya public say there be ya say be enyo bia na ne nsem obi obetumi akọ private schools ewo ho bebre no say there be ya omo so mo ho be hin han wo. So clearly is a work in progress. Roads there entumi nya nyina 4 years way. You be cost 1 year into my second term. We look at industry, we look at youth empowerment. Omahini mabua e manipa 5 me do ma call GFA license C coaching course I there.
Wow.
Omutumi bua to hand talent.
Omo number is a blaster shebren.
Oh, me because I haven't said it on the floor of the house. Say you pay black stars we must go back to the basics.
Okay,
and I'm talking to the RFA Greater Accra president, you know. Say me hono. Let's start here organizing course competition.
Benjamin, my chair, I hope to say. Okay, so Benjamin Friso, Ima, good morning. I hope to say. Oh, also as I refer so hey, just wrap up for us.
Me da se wrapping. In some adroji, munim mabomonim police station executives. Me ne mo abekasa. Mo hu na ho brase ene osompa me pesa mo de mam. Menye MP mpo. Munim se me wo school am kola be 500 wom. Wo mo ye adwuma e be 31. Munim se me bie radio station ya me de bo aban ho adwuma. Me di advocate na me de bo aban dwuma a wo ye hu dawuru ama obi ate anya nipa 13 ye adwuma wo enti me ye MP mpo nipa be 40 every month omo constituency omo nya adwuma ye enu nti na me se mo ma me akwanya na me mesom na MPP party ene onsahoma duragiri omamu ni nyina ye betimi akreti enuma ama nipa bebre enye bi aye maka kire mo se metimi ama onsahoma duragiri aye attractive business destination me se me sister city relationship a ebetimi aboa ama ye mabu no mo pe kwantu akọ ye adwuma pa edi sika ba fie no so ya boa mo amomo ye maka kire mo se me entrepreneurship program amam na me pe sika ye de be mamu bosia na motimi aye adwuma na motimi anya sika frim sa na me se me bread festival enso ama duragiri de obi anim se ye nim pan no ye wo pan no nanso ukọ abrochire ba bia omo wine amamfo tutu kwan e ko tasty wine saa na yetimi branding nsama duragiri ye pan no na ye no nkopfo be free Ghana ha nyina aba testy different types of bread na opa nsama duragiri na sa oba sa festival hotel fo benya sika restaurant fo benya sika omomo pan de okwa ho obia bediye even 1 week aye be every year nim o he sa innovative ideas ya me de be ya me se mami akwanya na me mra me di enim na me fa yenko yenso yenim ye mpio ho wa ye bi 12 years my adie mo ma me so akwanya na mo hwe me 4 years pe say ensin obi 20 years madam as
well my fa Mr. Nobody upon to say
na me na do me ho ye kroboduma fe for so mu chiao
I want your Joso
yo me da fe ɛna opanyini a ɔbɛtena hɔ no wɔn sɛ obi bɛkasa a MPP foɔ no ɔmo bɛkasa ɔmo bɛyɛ ɛna ɔyɛ koraa ɔsana ɔba abɛyɛ to ne so aba na mesrɛ delegate ɔmo ntoma no na mewɔ gyidie sɛ deɛ ɔɔka ne nyinaa no ɛnyɛ sɛ weyo gafili gadoki mewɔ gyidie sɛ ɔba bɛyɛ ama beebi ɔwɔ no nyinaa no akɔ n'anim sɛdeɛ nanado dafa pepa do di akonnwa no ba bɛgya pawonia no saa na ɔno nso ɔba bɛyɛ ɔse MP no ɔnkasa ntia no ɔsɛ ɔyɛ good nanso ɔno na ɔbɛtumi abɛyɛ ama kuro no apa ne ntoma pa.
Okay, so that's yɛmfa wosu wie na afei yɛwura semester ne nyamfo nrapo up my wosu mache morning
apom ti sɛ
o nyame adom
moni adwuma pa moyɛ na ɛyɛ na metie pa na anɔpɛ emsen na nsa metie program ba kwa ne na anɔpɛ so die no MPC no ɔmo ba ɔmo kasa with the confidence and as a aspirant MPC no ɔmo kasa na mmom ɔmo nka mu sɛ adwuma na ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛnyɛ ɔmo wo kwa kɔlɔbe anase wo kɔsrɛ bibi na yɛde amɔ te ɔmo ba sɛ de ya na ɔmo kano no ɔmo ma mabunu ni nipa no de ɔmo wiɛ hyɛ koduru hɔ na sɛ ntumi anyɛ saa ɔmo hu sɛ ɛyɛ ade a wo kwa kɔsrɛ wo kɔsusu nti a ɔmo ka ɛna afei so me problem kakra ne sɛ sɛ woyɛ adwuma me nso me wɔ media no na me wɔ adwenkyerɛ bi ada na memfa mmoa wo na wonyɛ na adwuma no nkɔ so mmoa ɔman no gye sɛ wo ɔman hene wofiri hɔ na mebɛmba ansa anɔpɛ masɛm kakra nyame nhyira
ɛno so yɛ asɛm a ɛbɛtumi adwene sɛ nde the fact sɛ me so bɛtia no nkyɛ sɛ me so bi ne bibi sɛ obi na kɔɛ na me so bɛtena bi so bɛkɔ akɔbia bɛtena you know so well respected we should also respect those institutional memories inside the man is very important, but it doesn't mean that we should create thin gods over us. As a man cannot do without some people. It's not done anyway. So, sir, what was say in California? Are you following Bibri or
Bibri? I say how they in California.
To address them.
They make my mama minimum bar. Frida Prempe, I would have and then
the bed. Me ma half of the men can be at you. Me no be at the Asimbia. For the men go be at the
bed.
Another contest, not for Fabien. Over so many. Oh,
and no, we wish you happy birthday. I wish you happy birthday.
But the man see Nanko Papa. You go back in the guys on our way with many problem. Yeah, it is turn north, south, turn north. I wish everybody well. Passing Bia.
In your me, what is she? What shall he call? Nuchumo Papa no say anyo. Ming Panify. No neke mink in your me, Gamen fan jacket. What fan be me comedy war. Nuchumo Neke won't there. A few tene. Yen and Nichumo Nichum. No neke mink energy. Follow who no road. The Lebono will feel the waha. Or buy and watching Oham and beer. Chat ni Manya Brow.
Cha amaniaba yewie all of that's it grateful I wish you well.
Thank you very
much. I wish you well too. Yami adu mechina e be share e big game so keep watching Adom TV. Bye.
Frida